he starts the stream and I'm just adding it to my sandwich. Like,
hey everybody, welcome to day 2 of Heat in the Hot Seat. I am somehow surviving. You're getting more? It's fine. Hey, it's Anthony from Prusa. You know, love the peak so much. He's putting some on his food today. It's good. The HT90 can print peak. And you can get the high temp upgrade for the Core 1L or Core 1, but it's not. It could do high temp, but you're not gonna get enough chamber temperature to get crystalline peak.
oh, we advertise pack, not peak.
That's fair. That's fair. Yeah. I guess, are you gonna sit and eat your lunch? Is that what's gonna happen? I'll pass you a mic if you really want,
Sure,
but all right. I'm like, is he really just gonna sit and eat his lunch? All right, what the hell? You know how to do it. Logo facing away because they didn't pay for it. Oh, turn it on. It's not, I don't know why they're not turning on automatically. Okay, got him. Then I can hit the recording on the mics. There we are. Beautiful. We got Nomad here hanging out. How you doing, buddy?
Doing great.
Doing great. Yeah. Gonna turn you down a smidge.
I just grabbed my lunch, and I heard there was a great condiment shelf up here.
Yeah, but see, you didn't check the donations before you sat down.
Oh shit.
So,
Well, I got my sandwich ready.
So Jason over at LDO. Jason over at LDO decided he wanted to get a little action in, if you will. And like 10 minutes before we started, let me make sure I have it. Like 10 minutes before we started, he tossed $100 into the ring. It is all via PayPal. So I don't know if just giving is working. So we're not even going to bother trying. Send it to the company PayPal. It's THREED Musketeers @gmail.com via PayPal. Please send it, friends and family, because I'm eating all the fees on this. Please and thank you. He said SMF donate / hot sauce fundraise. So we got a fun one, and I don't know if I want to start with it, but what the hell, let's start with it. Since you have a sandwich with you, we had a Brit bring us some traditional Coleman's mustard.
All right.
And I feel like you got a Sammy with you, so you got to put some of the traditional British mustard on. I'm going to give you a knife, and you can...
let's do this.
You can put that on.
Like this is a nice warm panini, so I'm
however your little heart desires.
So this is...
That was not a short joke. Not intended, at least.
Whoa. Oh.
I'm told that it is like straight horseradish. Kind of.
That smells like actual mustard. Like, I'm sorry, America, but we don't know mustard. This is mustard.
Is that mustard?
That's mustard.
So it's like, where's DJ Mustard to like yell at us?
Ooh.
All right. Pass it back. I got to put some on a spoon. With the knife, you ding dong. Thank you.
Oh my God, that's really good.
Lee.
You know what? Hold on.
Yeah, a little more hot sauce on there.
A little more peak.
So this is a new piece added into the lucky dip, I guess, today. But
oh my God!
If people are bringing food, they're gonna have to put the mustard on it. So this feels like a lot of mustard.
Oh, that is. Cheers.
That's a decent quick burn, like Wasabi says.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I'm just gonna go with Willie. Yep. Yeah, that's
Yes.
It's Maddie, y'all don't mess around with mustard out here, do you? No, you don't.
It's good mustard.
No, just tried some Coleman's. That's
really good.
I don't think I've had real English mustard before, but I guess I understand the Grey Poupon references now.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Huh? It's good. He's been putting it.
Mustard on
he
ham
brought
and
a
cheese
sandwich, so
paninis
he's
is
gotta
good.
have them. I'm like, we gotta open the mustard for it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And ooh, you know what? You want me to suffer Marmite a
No,
bit?
you don't. No, don't do that.
Give me a little bit of Marmite.
Don't ruin a good sandwich. All right. It's your funeral. A very
I am
very
aware.
thin amount. It's your freaking funeral.
It is. They had some of this yesterday, and it is already glassed over.
According to Gergman, we need some Polish mustard. It will knock my socks off. Well, I am half Cuban and half Polish, so maybe I'll like it.
I'm being smart. That's all. This little bit.
This is really good mustard.
I've never had Marmite before. I have no idea what I'm in for.
It sucks. It's a byproduct of making beer. I bet a bit on a sandwich is fine.
That's really good.
Yeah, which is funny because the Making Sawsome podcast is later today in like 3 hours. Huh? 3. It's at 3. It's all scheduled. Oh, hey, Danny. How you doing, boss?
What's up, buddy?
You want to come suffer at some point today? All right. We're doing okay. MLV's asking about which mustard. MLV's in Slovakia.
Ooh.
So.
Well, here's the cap for that mustard.
Oh yeah. Well, I keep the caps off for right now. But
man.
No, don't do the Marmite on its own. Put the knife back in the Marmite. We'll leave it uncapped, and then that way we know the knife is already toxic waste. And Marmite can go back there because the hot sauce is all sponsored by the Voron team. Huge thank you to the Voron Project for sponsoring these one-of-one hot sauces, and a huge thank you to Herzl, who custom-made hot sauces. That's the PLA one. You want sweeter?
Dude,
you want spice?
I'm like going in every other one, man.
All right, you can take the bottle and put some on there. But huge thank you to Herzl, who grew his own peppers and made custom hot sauce and got it to us. And that's all we're going to say about that.
So good.
But if you do want to donate, obviously, please donate via the PayPal link in the description or in that pinned chat message. We're going to be live for the next few hours getting tortured for hot sauce. So let me see if anything else has come in since then to see. Well, we have to do a dice roll. Amber, do we have the dice somewhere?
We have one roll to make up for it because my mom donated a few days ago.
Yes.
Yep.
And that's why we need to do the dice. So don't finish your sandwich because whatever you roll, you're putting on the rest of that.
All right.
So your mother donated early on, back when Just Giving was actually working.
Yeah.
Is your nose running from the mustard?
A little bit.
Yeah,
No. From me double dipping into the peck.
Yeah.
Or peak,
baby.
whatever we were calling it.
Well, the second time was PLA. That's
3.
3. Hey, that's a good one though.
I was gonna just grab that one earlier.
One. Where's Jacob? Jacob is currently in a bit of a business meeting and will be joining us later today for a special Making Sawsome podcast.
I'm here for lunch.
It's only the level 3. It's only the level 3.
There we go.
It's only the level 3. He can go for the ghost pepper if he. I'd like to point out that the ghost pepper is the most consumed.
Yeah.
Based on the rules of the diamond.
Oh, and based on Olaf being a Giga Chad and going for larger and larger scoops every single time.
So good.
Olaf. Yeah, it's just Olaf, you know?
Hey, whoa.
Yeah, well, you know, this is basically
Just me?
INDXX. It's just inductive heating for your mouth.
I love hot sauce.
That one is going to be good on that sandwich for sure.
It's really good.
Yeah, I'm sure it's going to be really
I wish
good.
I could try it, but
So, how's day 2 going for you so far, boss?
having a lot of fun. We're rolling around with the spool bot. If you haven't seen it on printables,
Yep.
It's been a lot of fun because people see a spool slowly rolling through the crowd,
Yep.
and everyone's like, "Oh, stop the spool!" And then I turn it on the dime, and they go, "Wait, what?"
I was talking with the 3D Prima people, and it rolled by, and someone quickly grabbed it because they thought it was a spool just rolling across. And I'm like, no, it's RC, but they had grabbed it by then, and I think you had moved it. They're like, oh God, what's going on?
Yeah,
So yeah, I think we'll have to do a spool bot because those would be pretty fun at events.
they're
literally.
so fun.
Yeah. It will probably terrorize the cat, which is not necessarily the goal. But hey, why not? Obviously, the goal that we do have is for you all to like the stream, get subscribed and all that. MLV says, wait, what? A spool bot? Yeah, so it's a RC car. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
George is going to go bring one over
Just tell
from
him
the
Anthony
Prusa
sent you.
booth. Oh, he already found it on printables.
Yeah.
What do you got there, Amber B? Oh, that's your fancy chocolate from from the other day?
Chocolate.
No, I'm good. Not now.
I'll try it. Ooh, chocolate pretzels?
All right, what the hell? He's doing it. I'll do it too.
Ooh.
I was going to wait till we got some more hot sauce in us.
I got a ton already in me, so.
That's good. That's good.
Jimmy. It's so good.
All right.
See, Grant always talks about food on his stream. One time we actually bring food.
Yeah.
Right.
It wasn't even at the right time.
No.
All right, here's a spool bot from an actual opera singer brings us a spool bot, which is always cool.
So I don't know the specifics of how this is put together. I've not built one myself, but the designer's been here, and Steve, who also built one, is here. But this is a very simple robot that uses a counterweight on the bottom, which in this is the nickel metal hydride battery.
The battery, yeah.
And because you know how gravity works, the heaviest part of the
How
object.
does gravity work?
I don't know, 9.8 meters per second squared.
Yeah.
The heaviest part of the robot needs to be at the bottom.
Right.
So to simply roll this forward, it literally just pushes the counterweight forward, and that causes the whole thing to roll forward. Very simple mechanism.
They're quite fast too.
They're quite fast. And then all of this piece rolls as one because it's all connected.
Yep.
But the other side of the spool here is your secondary wheel. So to rotate, they counter to one another. So that's how you turn.
Yep.
The counterweight is how you go forward. And I think the BOM for this is like a little over $200
That's not
in
bad.
parts. It's not terrible for an
And
RC.
a spool, obviously.
Yeah, and which is great because these are our old cardboard spools that we're trying to get rid of, so you can get them for a discount right now.
Or you might have them already sitting around at the house.
Yeah, like you can take a 1 kilogram Prusa mint spool that you may have had from before the NFCs.
Yep.
Take it apart and then print the inner core of this, and like you don't need a 2 kilogram spool to do this. No, I do not know if this was a 1 kilogram spool beforehand. But yeah, you could use.
It's still cool.
Yeah,
that's all that matters.
You print the inner core here, which makes it look like it's a full spool. But then what you do is you take the color that you printed that in and you wind it around, one tight wind, just like we actually do at the factory.
Yeah, that looks factory. Yeah.
And then a loose winding on the outside that gives it that appearance that this is a spool of filament. And then of course you do the classic. Don't use the built-in holder. You just kind of put it through the hexagons.
You have to.
And it sells it so much. Let me actually, put this in real quick.
Yeah, it looks like a legitimate spool rolling down.
Yeah.
Hey, Herzl's here. Let's go.
It just looks like a spool of filament. In fact, because all of this is, this is all actual
it's raw filament. Yeah.
You can actually put this on a printer, unload the filament, take it off, and just roll it on the floor, and people would be none the wiser. I love it so very much. And this uses a hot RC internals, which is just, simple, well-known RC internals that you can get off like AliExpress or something.
Awesome.
But of course, it is open source. It's on printables. Spoolbot or Spoolie, I think, and you can just, customize it however you want. Cool. It's really fun. Really, really fun project if you just want, these things are actually decently durable too.
Yeah, they looked at you. You were abusing them.
So obviously these won't roll downstairs for obvious reasons. But there's an elevator around the corner here. I literally just, rather than pick it up and carry it down.
You rolled it into the elevator.
I rolled it into the elevator, had it jump the gap. This thing's been holding up really well.
Awesome.
It's been really fun.
Well, Nomad, it's been awesome having you come out. I see that we have Martin from Bondtech hanging out waiting. So let's bring him in and we'll talk more about what's going on at Bondtech. Because, you wouldn't know anything about that, right? You guys aren't doing anything with Bondtech, right?
No, what are you talking about?
Not at all. Not at all.
I will trade Bondtech secrets for chocolate.
Give him the mic. Martin,
Hello,
how are you doing, good sir?
I'm good.
You enjoying the event so far?
We are, yes, for sure. Yesterday was really busy.
Uh-huh.
A little bit more quiet today, but I think it's good because it gives you more time to speak with the visitors.
Yes, yes, it does. Sorry, I'm turning you up for the audience. That way they can hear you.
Mhm.
Awesome. Yeah, Sunday is always, the second day is always like that quieter day where you can have those more, like for a better term, intimate conversations, like the more purposeful conversations where the first day is just a mad rush for everyone to see everything. And
Exactly.
just like it was at FormNext, every time we looked over in your all's direction, you all had a mob of people around you just staring at the index.
Yeah, we have. Yeah,
It's pretty cool to see that thing.
yeah,
Isn't it?
it's amazing.
Yeah. Does it like reinvigorate you every time you see people just their minds are blown on it again? But for you, it's like this is your everyday thing. Does that help a lot?
For sure, it does to see the enthusiasm of all the people. For sure, yeah.
Yeah. Actually, can you move your mic up a little
Up a bit,
further? Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you. Yeah, they're like, oh yeah, he's really quiet. I'm like, I got him turned up all the way. I am down 12 dB. I have you up 10.
Yeah.
But you know, we're getting close to the end of Q1 here.
We are.
Progress is moving forward, right?
Yeah, for sure. We are pushing as hard as we can, but at the same time, we really want it to be a good product, so we
Right.
can't rush it.
Right.
And as with every production and development, challenges do occur.
Yeah.
So, but we are solving there, and we are getting there. So,
Yeah, it was a bit of a heartbreaker when the announcement was made that there was going to be a bit of a delay. But as I told everyone, I said, you have to understand that you don't want a half-baked product.
No.
You don't want something that all of a sudden has all these extra problems that needs to be, have these fixes. You'd much rather wait a few extra months for all the little kinks and things to be worked out and have something that is really, really good out of the box.
yeah, that's the plan.
Yeah. It's always the plan.
Yeah.
We did have some money come in. I'm making sure that I have the exact amount. So Amber, if you don't mind, can you throw 100 from LDO up on the board for me? Huh? Oh, you did it already? Look at her. She's ahead of it. That means we have to roll some dice. 'Cause I hear you enjoy some spice in your life, right?
I don't.
Do you just want to go to the spicier stuff, or do you want to let the dice decide our fate?
I think I will start with a not so spicy one.
Okay. All right.
The least spicy one.
Try this one then.
I will do.
Use the spoon. You can use that spoon for yourself. Put a little bit on there. This is made. It's not spicy at all.
In your standards, or
Yeah. No. In any standards.
In
It
any
is
standard.
really. Yeah. Amber
you can eat it. Okay.
It is homemade by a fan of ours in Germany from peppers they grew themselves.
Okay. Nice.
So this is my one of my favorite sauces here on the lineup. So enjoy.
Enjoy. Nice taste.
Yeah. A little bit of kick there at the end, but nowhere near all that hot.
No.
It's very, to me, it's very sweet,
Yeah, it is.
right? But it's got a heavy garlic flavor to it, where these are more your traditional vinegar-based sauces. This is the tomato-based sauce.
Yeah. It was really nice. Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It is a nice one. But here, let's roll some dice and see where we end up. Because, you know. Oh, well, that one's simple. That's the first one there. Just make sure that we shake it. That is a jalapeno dill.
Dill.
Dill, like pickles.
Okay.
Yep. You just pour some on a spoon. It is a little thick, but runny. Hey, Georges. You're in the chat, but you're sitting right there, Georges. Says, good day, fellas. Oh, is it stuck? There. What's up? I know what he's got.
It's a bit
All right, go
stuck.
for that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we shook it, but
It's clogged.
yeah, he's got to hit it a little bit. Do a cold pull.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes, do a cold pull. That's, why did we not think of that yesterday? That is such, I'm upset with how good that is. This
Okay.
one's nice and simple too. Jalapeno, dill pickle. And Violin's definitely not sitting next to George's. Thank you. Thank you so much. So you brought some stuff to show us. What do you got?
Here we have the latest revision of the tool.
This has changed a little bit.
It has, yeah. It's even more optimized now.
Yeah, it looks like the actual hot end has gotten smaller too.
I think that is more or less the same size.
Okay.
Yeah, there is a
Well,
new.
then it's more easy for me to see it now.
Exactly. Yeah, it has the latest revision of the silicone sock as well.
Very nice. Yeah, it's a very, very tiny silicone sock too.
It is.
I like that. And SLS printed in house, obviously.
Yeah. Most likely we are going for molds because we need that to fulfill the demands. But we will start with SLS printing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think this will end up going injection molded too?
I think so, yes.
I kind of want it SLS. I understand that it doesn't, from a financial standpoint, from a business, it doesn't make sense to do 3D printing in the long run because it's slower and it's more expensive than injection molding.
Yeah.
But it's instantaneous rather than taking weeks and weeks and weeks. But it is really cool to say that they're all literally, are even the pins produced in-house?
No.
Okay. So like most of this is produced in-house except for, the metal pins and probably this Bowden connector.
And the metal pins are magnets. They are the magnets that keep it in place.
These two alignment pins are also magnets.
They are.
So we have probably the most important question is how do magnets work?
How do they work?
They
get attracted to other magnets or metal.
it is a bad song reference from the U.S. A song that I hope none of you actually ever listen to. It's truly a terrible song by the Insane Clown Posse, and that should tell you that it's not a good song. But it's lighter too than I remember.
Hmm?
How much lighter is this tool?
Actually, I don't have. I should have known the weight of it, but I don't have that figure. Sorry.
Here, Amber, do you mind putting that up to the camera for me so they can see it and I don't have to zoom in? Oh, you can go way closer than that. Yeah, there you go. So, yes, can you Vanna White it, please? Thank you, Vanna. Still not how you. Oh, okay. I'm apparently getting people's names wrong. Zaxman says Bondtech should keep making an OG version that is SLS. Could there be like a Founders Edition that is always SLS?
Yeah, we are looking into it because depending on the development, there will be a version for the Prusas and one version for the development kit.
Okay.
And most likely there will be some variations, I think, of the development kit as well. So we might keep the SLS flexibility there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, is there a big difference between what we see on what will be the regular development kit versus the Prusa kit? Are there going to be significant differences?
No significant differences, I would say. It's mostly related to the part cooling solutions that you have.
Well, that makes sense, yeah.
And on the inside, most of the mechanics are the same, exactly the same. But there will be another controller, a PCB, on the development kit and the Prusas. It's not the same.
Right. I guess that makes sense because obviously they're running their own kind of custom firmware stack that literally nobody else uses.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So they get it to be able to install it in a good way on the Prusas and get all the firmware updates running. So there is a custom version for the Prusas. The ones that will be for the development kit, it's a collaboration we have done with you at 3D.
So is the plan then to have most of the indexes run on reprap firmware, or is Clipper also going to be a big move? Because obviously duets focus more on reprap firmware.
They are focused more in reprap firmware, but it will be supported in both Clipper and Calico.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah,
I guess Calico is probably the more preferred software of the two because it gives you more flexibility for what you guys need.
Yes.
Yeah. Guys, please go ahead and donate. We got Martin here from Bondtech. So then, obviously named, last name?
Bondeus.
Bondeus. I wonder where the name came from for Bondtech, guys. Literally one of the founders. please donate. 20 quid gets us a dice roll, 50 for the both of us, 2 dice rolls, and then 100 you get to decide our fate. And of course, all of it goes directly to the Sanjay Mortimer Foundation, supporting neurodiverse makers here in the UK, and hopefully worldwide coming soon. Do you also have something else to show off here?
I have.
You do.
So with the Founders Edition, you will also receive a really nice one-of-a-kind T-shirt.
These are really nice shirts.
Yes.
They're really cool.
Yeah, we think it looks really good.
And it's not, it is one of those dry wicking material shirts too, so it's like a high quality shirt. The printing quality, I want to know where you get the printing done, because that is so nice. I wish we could get levels of printing like that for what we do. Yes, George just says make Grant suffer. We have a question from the chat from MLV saying, is the SV08 kit still planned, or did they just switch to only having official Prusa and the rest being development kits?
As we are a small team, we need to focus getting everything ready, and developing kits for a lot of different printers will take a lot of time. So what we will do, we will have the development kit, we will share CAD geometry, tool holders, etc. We will share the macros, so the configuration files, slicer profiles, and everything. And we would like to work with the community in order to build and develop solutions.
So the goal is not we're not going to abandon the other ones, but
no,
we know the community is going to be doing it. So why don't we work with them rather than working separately? It makes more sense to work combined.
Yeah. And I think the final product will be better even.
I agree as well, because the SV08, I have 2 of them, and I literally bought the second one because of INDXX, saying, you know what, I think these are going to be some of the best value printers on the market to put INDXX on, because it's a Voron V2.4 for like $600 US. And they donate to the open source community, and they donate to the Voron project, and they help fund Clipper and Calico. Like that to me is a big part of it. But I also know that trying to support it when trying to work with Solwell for an official kit, probably pretty complicated. It's easier to say, hi community, this is what developer kits are for. You all help work with us on it, and we'll figure it out together.
Yeah.
Right. So, yeah, I'm very excited for this. Herzl, who actually made these 2 sauces, said, can Martin reveal a bit more about the maximum chamber temperature for INDXX, pretty please?
I can't.
You can't?
No.
I am aware from the Discord, so I'm assuming that whatever's in the Discord I can talk about. Whatever's in your all's Discord I can talk about. So what I've seen is 60 Celsius.
Yeah. I think that is what we can say so far. And it's not that super easy, because as we have the induction heating, we have the infrared sensor. The sensor is quite complicated to get the correct temperature reading in all cases with different ambient temperatures and these things.
Yep.
And we are really focused here on getting a really safe system with all the safety features that will detect abnormalities, so it doesn't end up in a problem.
Something that people don't think about too much with induction heating is that there's no thermistor on it. There's no way to directly measure the temperature. You have to go some sort of, either they're touching each other and you're hoping that just the conduction or convection is going to be good, or like what you guys are choosing, you're going to be using infrared to do a wireless effective.
Exactly.
Or a contactless is probably the better term for temperature measurement. But everything at that point becomes very, very picky and finicky. So I guess if they ordered a development kit, they'll find out what the max is, because we all know you're going to try to go hotter. We all know you're going to do it.
Yeah.
Don't lie to us and say you're not going to do it. We all know you're going to do it.
But the temperature model in the software that regulates the induction, that gets quite complex in order to be really quick and responsive, but at the same time be really safe, so it doesn't end up in issues.
Yeah.
But we are working with that quite hard. So this is what we can say now. As it is software,
Right.
there might be changes down the line with the new software revision.
So last night at the after party, a gentleman took us aside and handed us £100 in cash because he didn't know if he would be available for the show today. So he wanted to donate in person last night so we could suffer just a little bit. He said, whoever I thought would have the most fun, he wanted us to try the worst sauce here, the one that is the hottest. Are you down for that?
Extremely little in that case.
If you're not, that's fine.
Yeah.
It is up to you.
I think I have some hours still here at the show, so I think I will pass this test.
Okay. All right. So this is ghost pepper.
Yeah.
It is ungodly hot. I tried this yesterday. I see Kata is now getting into a different filming position.
Yes.
It is very thick, so you'll need to use the knife to kind of get it out of the bottle.
Oh.
I will let you take out as much as you would like, and then I will go ahead and match it.
Just a small piece.
Yeah, that's still a fair bit for a first time. Yeah, this is like my first. This is like my second sauce of the day right now. We're going right to ghost pepper, but hey, all this money goes directly to charity for the Sanjay Mortimer Reprap Fest. And hey, it's not surströmming.
It's not surströmming.
It's
no.
not. That was
I really like strong sauces much better than surströmming.
I will chug that whole bottle of ghost pepper before eating more surströmming. That was it was an event.
Yeah.
So
Cheers.
cheers, sir.
Cheers.
This is for everybody. It's tasty.
It's tasty,
But-
and it grows.
Yes, it does. Grows quite a bit, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you have a cup there if you want any liquid. We've got, so Layers with Lily brought over some Milkus, which is a Korean soda.
Okay.
Something about this, we don't know. Maybe it's the milk and yogurt that's in it. Yeah, it's like one of those probiotic shots. It basically eliminates the heat for like 30 to 45 seconds.
Okay.
Like when you're tasting wine, put a little in, swish it around and swallow it. And it, for the most part, we find that it works great. So,
Okay. Yeah. Let's try it.
yep. We tried it yesterday, and both Taylor, Nero, Canuck Creator, and I were like, wait a minute, this works really, really well.
Thank you.
There you go, sir. I'm going to go ahead and take some too, because this is, it's
still growing.
yeah, it doesn't really stop.
No.
So thank you, Layers with Lily, for making us suffer just a little bit less. Cheers.
Cheers. Interesting taste.
It's an interesting taste, but do
Yes.
you notice the spice is like at least 50% less?
Reduced, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know what it is about this stuff, but highly recommended.
Good.
Also, it's quite tasty, and I'm not like a soda person. That's pretty good. Martin, God, it's still pretty hot though. It's still pretty hot. Let me know if you need any more.
No, I'm fine.
Oh, okay. He's a bigger man than me. That's fine.
I think you took a bit more than I did, so.
4 hours yesterday, another
Yes.
4 hours
Yes,
today.
yes,
So, but Martin, it has been a pleasure. Anything else that you'd like to tell the folks at home?
See you tomorrow. We will fly back this evening, so
Yeah.
I think I will land in my bed at 3 o'clock this night, so it will be a late night and an early morning tomorrow.
And then you're right back to it, right?
Right back to it, yes.
Yeah. You guys are running. Are you running the mills 24 hours a day now?
The machines, the lathes are running not 24, I would say roughly 20, maybe something around
Okay.
that, yeah.
That's
60.
pretty good though.
It is, yeah.
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 So they're obviously working really hard. How many new machines do you have in the shop now?
3 new machines.
That extra shop space is coming in handy, isn't it?
It is, yeah. It was the perfect timing that we had the space available.
So under all this extra heat and pressure, I have one final question for you, sir.
Okay.
When are we going to see INDXX?
It's right over there. No, the
I
plan,
was told to ask it to you after we had hot sauce.
yeah, yeah. The plan is still as it has been from the beginning. Start the shipping in end of March.
Okay.
And most of it, everything shipped out during April. That is still the plan. There have been, as I told you, some challenges, and we're trying to fix everything. So, but it's hard if we could have a component shortage. That is a bit difficult to handle. If it's parts that we can machine ourselves, then it's just using more hours, and then we are doing it. So, but that's the plan. The Founders Edition should be hopefully up next week. The web page where you could finalize the order and specify the order, and we will hopefully open up for sales in April.
Awesome.
That's the plan.
We're looking forward to it because I've got quite a few machines that need INDXX on them.
Yeah.
Like yesterday. Very, very excited because it means that we can bring tool changing abilities to machines that never had it, high heating and fast heating capabilities to machines that never had it, and provide all this new value to a 3D printer that's already been valuable, but make it more valuable.
Exactly, yeah.
We love
it will unlock a lot of possibilities, both in different colors, but also multi-material.
I'm looking forward to it. Also, did your watch just tell you that something's abnormal?
No, it was.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I thought I saw abnormal on the watch. I'm like, did his pulse go up? His watch is warning him that something's not good.
It was actually my activity that has.
It's like, wow, you're working out, but wait a minute, you're sitting still. What's going on? Martin, thank you so much for sitting down with us.
Thank you.
It has been a pleasure. Yeah. I will give you a reprieve for now, and I know you have to get back to your booth as well. So
yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for
you.
having me.
Yeah, man.
Yep.
I'll take that.
Yeah.
Yep. We're holding trash over here, so I'll grab the mic back from you as well. Thank you, sir. Thank you for putting up with the heat. Rob, God, it's hot already. Lily, you're saving us. You're saving us right now. Oh my gosh. There's your Rob from Princepts. Come on in. I'm sorry. Come on down.
Come on down.
Oh God, it's so hot. Everything is so spicy. Need to get this open over here so I can just toss the spoons down here while we're done with them. Oh God. Rob, how you doing, good sir?
Good, thanks. How are you doing today?
It's a little warm here, heat in the hot seat.
I can just smell it actually just wafting up here.
Yeah, it's rough. I don't know why I just decided to say, forget it. Let's start hard in the morning. You know, let's make it rough. But here we are. So, huh?
We did have a 20-pound donation.
Oh, we missed one yesterday. It was right at the end. Oh, goody.
Oh no.
Oh, goody. Was it cash? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have Rob introduce himself a little bit while I slowly die on the inside. Wonderful. Rob, talk to us.
Alrighty. So, we've spoken before.
Yes, we have.
Rob from Princepts. I have the BabyBeltPro, and you've seen the prototype for the Crooked Crow.
Yes, the printer that just upsets. Oh my God. Upsets my brain. Oh,
well,
God. It's starting already.
Well, I hope to have the release candidate for it available at Rocky Mountain.
Really?
Yes.
So coming up mid-April, right?
Yeah, like a month and a half.
Yeah.
I already.
Let me get that cup too.
Oh, thanks. I already have it about halfway built. I'm documenting the whole process, and it's going to be not held together with hot glue. So.
Okay.
But that's really. I've been putting all the dev into Crooked Crow right now, so I don't really have anything else new to show right now.
So for those who don't know about the Crooked Crow, can you talk about it?
Sure. It's a Voron 2.4 mod that has the Voron 2.4 has 4 belts. So if you lower the back belts and raise the front belts, the gantry tilts.
Right.
Now you have a belt printer.
Right.
So it's G-code selectable how much it does that.
Uh-huh.
And of course, instead of printing on a normal bed, it has a belt underneath it. So you have auto ejection core XY or a belt printer.
Right.
Selectable with G-code. Or you can also do limited non-planar movement.
Okay.
So the release candidate, I haven't tested this yet, but I'm hoping to have it have a stealth changer too.
So you're taking an already complicated mechanism saying, screw it, let's make it more complicated.
Sure, why not?
I highly recommend that you don't feature creep it and let the community feature creep it. Because the release that you're just making that release candidate even tougher, right?
Well, I was gonna get it working with one tool head first.
I would recommend one. Yeah, we normally like one tool head. That's our bare minimum these days.
Right, but I'm gonna have it, the one tool head is going to be a stealth changer.
Right, a dockable head, yeah.
So once I get one going, then I can just duplicate that for several heads and I'm good to go.
Okay. Yeah, it's just that simple. That sounds easy. He's going to have no problems at all doing it. Because Danny from Neokoi Prince has had no issues with any of his stealth changers, even though I would say he's kind of the stealth changer god right now. He's got them running really, really well, knows how to build them. If you're not already working with him, I highly recommend you reach out to him.
Absolutely.
Because he knows what he's doing with the stealth changers, so I would recommend it.
Well, this is not my first time putting a tool changer on a belt printer.
It's not?
No,
Why would you do that?
because why not?
I mean, I get it, right? This whole industry is built around we did it not because it was easy, but because we thought it was easy. But why? What is the reason to have a belt tool changer?
Support material for overhangs.
Okay, that was like the one reason I could come up with. I'm like, I got the one in my head. I'm going to let him say all the others that I'm going to say. You literally took the one I had in my head, Rob. Thanks.
Sorry.
Index on a baby belt, Zack's man says.
I don't think I have deep enough pockets for dev for that. If somebody wants to sponsor it, I'd give it a go.
You had your opportunity like literally 5 minutes ago.
Well, I didn't want to interrupt you talking to him.
You have one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted. One moment. Will you capture it or just let it slip?
I guess I could go over there and talk to him when we're done
I
here.
guess you could.
If I can still talk.
I'm sorry. Any time you get one shot, you got to quote Eminem on it. That means we got a dice roll. So let's see how nice the dice are going to be for you today. Dice is right in front of you. It's a D6. There's a spoon because you're probably going to need it.
Is a high roll more or less painful?
It's more painful, yeah. Except a 6. A 6 is whatever the heck we pull out of the bag of tricks.
All right. Well, 3.
Okay, 3's good. 3's the red chili sauce.
That one, yeah.
Yeah, I'm putting them back so everyone can see our gracious sponsor, the Boron Project, for providing us. Make sure the lid is tight. Shake it up. Put as much as you want on the spoon. What is it like? Okay, you're doing literally the things you should never do. You just touched a bottle of hot sauce and then you rubbed your eyes.
I didn't even realize. You're right. But
Yeah.
I know that I've done it now. I can feel that.
Yeah, there are wipes right there.
Okay.
If you need it, please don't get this in your
So
eyes.
this is not eye drops?
Look, you know what? If that's your kind of thing, it's not mine. But if it's your kind of thing, we have a rule, and it is the top rule in our Discord and in our company. We do not kink shame. We will rate, but we don't shame. So if that's your thing, by all means, go for it. But we might have to transition to a different streaming platform if that's your thing.
Only spice?
Yes, which feels like my stomach. But hey.
Alrighty.
Yeah, Jimmy says don't go to pee, don't go to pee. Yeah, make sure you wash your hands before you pee.
That's
Any mucous membranes, ladies and gentlemen.
advisable.
Pass me the bottle.
All right. Is this a worthy amount for that?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't want to wuss out.
No. You're not Olaf. You're not just gonna make the scoops bigger and bigger because you feel like proving a point. Cap it for me so we don't screw it up and spill it everywhere. Okay.
So that's this one? Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, see?
All right, uh-huh.
Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you all for your donations. It's tasty, though.
It's got great flavor.
It's got amazing flavor, yeah.
I actually really like that.
Yeah,
It's not-
roasted Pueblo chilies.
It's not bad either. It's not. It's not excessively.
No, in fact, that somehow removed all of the heat that I still had in my mouth from the ghost pepper. So nice. For the first time, the sauces were actually subtractive. Nice. But yes, please grab a baby wipe just to make sure that you keep your hands clean, because, homie,
Yeah.
you don't want the burn in in your pants. Oh, you think you're done with just one?
Oh,
I mean,
okay.
if you want, you can.
Oh,
you
heck
can
yeah.
leave if you want.
Oh, heck yeah. No.
But all right, so I need to understand again, because the baby belt, right? The baby belt is a super cool project. I highly recommend you guys look at building baby belts, because what's their BOM come out to be?
About $300 or
$300. And they're the cutest little things you ever did, dear see. They are a freaking adorable, right? But you have the baby belt XL, is that what you're calling it?
the BabyBeltPro.
Pro.
The XL was an experimental attempt to make it bigger and longer.
Yeah.
But the cloth belts get a little extra stretchy at that size.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
I'm glad I never built one.
Well, the BabyBeltPros are fine. The XL's not so hot. So what we're doing is we're kind of combining that with the Crow project now.
Okay. I think I told you I've got, from a random Micro Center clearance, I've got a bunch of like Ender 3 and Ender 5 heat beds that I have no need for, but they were like $5. I'm not leaving them behind for $5. Like, I'll find a project they'll fit in. I'm like, ooh, a baby belt with one of those build plates would be kind of nice, but if the belt gets really stretchy at those sizes, maybe not.
I mean, the Crow that you saw, that was a cloth belt.
Oh yeah, I could use it for a Crow bed.
A smaller Crow, yeah. But the Crow we're building now uses a Voron 300 gantry.
Oh,
So 300 XY,
nice.
build area, and it's going to use a steel PEI belt.
Interesting.
And so because it's steel, we're going to take advantage of that and put like door security lock electromagnets underneath it.
Oh, so it sticks down.
Yeah, so the belt can't lift while you're printing, so it will release so it can advance the belt and then lock again.
What? Wait, why has nobody thought of this for belt printers before?
I don't know.
Have you tried this yet? Does it work?
Yes, it works.
And there's not an issue with like the parts bouncing when the magnet turns on and off?
If the printer's set up properly, it shouldn't do that regardless.
Okay, so mine probably will. Dude, wait a friggin' minute. How are you making those belts?
They're actually off the shelf. The
No kidding.
the Idea Maker V2
Uh-huh.
has that PEI metal belt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And
you're using that same belt.
it's like $100.
Oh yeah, it's nothing.
Yeah.
For a good belt.
For a
And it's PEI, so it's a surface that most people are used to. They recognize kind of the limitations of it and what it's good for.
And the belt turns out to
Okay.
be like 300 wide by like 1500 long.
Right.
So it's almost the same price as taking that and cutting it into 300 millimeter build
Right.
PEI sheets. It's like the flex steel build sheets. It's about the same price.
It doesn't make sense to do it any other way, does it?
No. And if you're going to do one that big, so
It's pretty smart. Checking to see if we have any more donations. Please send them to THREE, so 3dmusketeers@gmail.com via PayPal. Please send them friends and family, because I am covering all the fees. Please and thank you. Help me, please. We are trying to get to 5,000 pounds or dollars. I'm not going to be too picky by the end of the day, and we will be finishing the day off with a special Making Sawsome podcast with myself and Jacob. The final hour of the show. It'll be a separate live stream. You all that are in here will get pushed into it. Don't worry. But yeah, because Jacob has a really. You think my spice tolerance is low right now? Jacob's is worse. Jacob's is way worse. We found this out last night. Jacob's is way worse. And for those saying, "Oh, Grant's overreacting," I've spent the last 2 months removing my spice tolerance so that you all could enjoy this event. So you're welcome. Because otherwise, I could do the ghost pepper with very little reaction, and that is not what you all are donating money to charity for, right? So, Rob, where can people follow along with what you're doing?
the best place to do that is the GitHub.
The GitHub, which is
Not the GitHub. The Discord.
not the GitHub. Okay,
The Discord.
which is
which is the link is available in the GitHub. That's
and
the best.
GitHub is what?
RobMink/BabyBeltPro.
Beautiful. Guys, check it out. If there's a mod in the chat, throw it in there for me. The dev miner says, take my money, yeet. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
That's worrisome. That's worrisome. Okay, I'm like, is this dev miner's real name? I didn't know. I think I have dev miner's real name now. Yeah. Okay, now this isn't fair, Anna. It says punishment for Grant, fix yo damn Voron. Now I'm not going to just to spite you. And the guests shall roll the dice for themselves. Cheers from Anna. So I will fix the Voron. My problem, right? So we had all this nice weather, but now it's like stupid hot again. Back home, it is a high of 32 Celsius. In March. Welcome to Florida. And I don't... no more calamari. You have... Oh, you have mine for my WhatsApp. Oh, I didn't know that. And no more calamari. Yes, I burned my octopus board up. But I burned it up live on stream. So if you're gonna burn a board, on stream's the best place to do it. Nero knows. But, all right. So, Anna said you roll.
All right.
Then we suffer.
Let's do, I hope I roll a little higher than last time.
Look, you can always go higher if you want. I'm not going to let you go lower, but if you roll a 2, you can go up. You rolled a 1, so you can go higher than that if you'd like.
I'm going to say that's a critical fail and roll again.
Okay, that's fine.
You know, D&D.
I'm fine by that. You got a 4.
So that's what, the peach?
That is the peach habanero.
That's actually the one I want to try, believe it or not.
It is rough. Make sure it's tight. Shake it. Put some on there. And if you want, you're welcome to try the ones that a fan made. So this is from Herzl. We have PLA and Peak. The naming scheme should make sense that this is much sweeter than this.
I actually love those names. That's really clever.
And it's all homegrown. They grow... no. Get it way close than that. It's very runny.
Oh, I didn't want to, like, contaminate it.
Whatever, man. It's hot sauce. It's enough. It's a... Homie!
Yep, let's do it.
I don't like you, Rob. I already said you were crazy, but now I am actually positive of the fact that you are crazy. You will hate me today. Oh, damn. Oh, well. All right. That's about the same, right? I'll take
Sure.
it. Wow, you're going to do that to me?
I saw you wiggle. No, I'm joking.
Now they're equal. You can cap that bottle for me. Oh, God. It's on your hands again.
Oh, yeah, very much so.
Okay.
I feel it.
Yep.
Thank you. So
I'm on my mind.
you know.
Don't. It's your eyes, not mine. Cheers.
Cheers. Well, that one does have more kick than the chili, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's a cup right there if you need it.
I may take you up on that for this one.
We got water. We got milk.
And my soul
We
is
got
on fire.
the Milkus from Layers with Lily. Check out Layers with Lily.
I'll try the Milkus.
Yeah,
Sure.
it's good stuff. It's a Korean soda that you're shaking a bit in the hands there.
I have essential tremors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I will say the 3 to
I
4.
thought it was from this. Sorry.
No, the 3 to 4 is a big jump, though.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Swish it around a bit in your mouth.
Oh, I did. Oh, yeah. Okay, actually, it's hitting.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're having a fun time, aren't you?
I got like 3 hours more of this, kids. And it's rough.
All
All
right.
right, I'm getting milk. I can't. Yeah. I get milk. You want milk?
Sure.
Finish that first. I don't want to mix the two. That's weird.
Maybe such a big spoonful wasn't brilliant.
It's UHT milk. I told you.
Sorry,
not-
Grant.
It's fine, Rob. It's fine. It's fine.
Well, maybe I should go wash up.
Maybe you should.
Well, thanks so much.
Grab a wipe.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks so much for having me.
Yeah, anytime.
I don't believe you.
Rob. Anytime. Thanks, Anna. Yeah. I'll take the mic.
Yep.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Oh God. Thanks for making me suffer, kids. Oh God. It's so bad. I think that it's worse today than it was yesterday. I think it's way worse today. Yeah. I think it's way worse today than it was yesterday. Oh, you're coming back, Doug? Why? I thought we could just end it now. Do you want to come on now? You can if you want. All right. Doug, you've already been on, so.
I was like,
New guy.
okay.
Oh,
Wait, what?
God.
DJ point inward?
No, yeah. No, don't show the logo. They didn't pay for it.
All right, let's just go.
Okay. It's hot. How you doing?
I'm all right. And you?
Oh, you know.
Got better the hours and all?
I got 3 more hours of this.
Yeah.
Woo. Let's introduce yourself. Tell the folks at home.
Hi, folks. My name is Vinny. I got a little YouTube channel, and I design tool changers for the Voron system.
So, are these like stealth changers or?
Sort of. I started with the tab changer.
Okay.
Got frustrated very quickly because how hard it was to build. So I moved to the stealth changer. Got frustrated with some of the unfortunate the design decision that they made.
Right.
So the stealth changer they make the tool chain mechanism the same as the probing mechanism.
Okay.
But the problem is that the probing mechanism you want to be as light as possible, while the engagement, the latching between the tool head and the gantry is supposed to be as strong as possible.
Right. You want rigidity there for sure.
Yes. So I have to split it. So
Okay.
my design had made the latching mechanism to be about 2 kilograms in terms of how much it gripped the gantry, while the probing is now with the beacon probe. So it's only probe with about 20 grams or so.
Wow. So, okay. So like we just had RobMink on who does the Baby Belt and the Crooked Crow. Crooked Crow can convert from a Core XY to a belt printer with just movement of axes. And he was talking about doing a tool changer with it.
Mm-hmm.
Could this be something that instead you could work with him on that instead?
Work with him? I don't know. No, because for me it's always about the cost. I need to be able to build it myself to know exactly what's going on.
Right.
But the thing with me is I just publish everything, and I'm trying to tell everyone about every problem I ever run into. And yeah, I totally talk about him, and I think I also show him my GitHub repository.
Cool.
With all the file on there as well, so he may or may not be able to pick it up and get from there. I'm not sure about using my specific design though, because as much as I just criticize on the stealth changer, it is a very simplified design.
Okay.
It's one system, and if it works, it works.
So I'm sorry. It's still my tongue's really hot still. So is your system? Is it just lighter, faster, easier than the traditional stealth changer?
It got beacon probe on it. The true benefit is that the mounting system and the probing system is two separate things.
Okay.
So you don't really need to use the nozzle probing one point at a time with the boron tap system.
Right.
But same with the boron tap system. But right now we are beacon, so we got bed scanning.
Okay.
I can physically support any probe that's fit with the original boron. So the inductive probe, the BTT. Eddy scanner.
Eddy scanner, yeah.
Yeah, and beacon and cartographer and all of that. They can all fit.
Okay, cool. Okay, so you're providing more flexibility
Yep, that's about that.
than the original the stealth changer. That's pretty cool.
Oh, and actually more reliability in terms of software, because now that you mentioned the ability thingies, I remember reliability.
Okay.
And one of the problem with the original Clipper add-on is that it require a custom probing object in the system and the back end. It worked on the same level as Clipper itself. So Clipper update, and we broke the system.
Yeah.
And it happened once every year. Literally, for 3 years now, it happened once every year.
Well, at least you know when it's coming, right?
Yeah, yeah. And no, actually, the latest one is still being fixed right now. And so I just like, I gave up. I wrote my own code, and I don't have to worry about that anymore.
So Toolful is asking, how many Scovilles are the sauces? A lot. I have no clue. I have no clue how many Scovilles. So Scoville is the measure of heat. Do you like hot sauce?
I do. I'm gonna sweat. I'm gonna cry. But trust me, I love them.
Well, let's see if we have any donations here that we might be able to make us sweat a bit. It's very, very warm. Everything is warm right now. I don't have any new ones. So if you guys want to see Vinny, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so you want to see Vinny and I suffer a little bit more. Huh? Okay. Oh, you donated 20 yesterday.
Yes, I do want to see you suffer.
Thanks, Vinny. I appreciate it. Yeah, thanks. All right. Well, then you get to roll for your 20 then.
All right.
Even though we did it earlier, I'm doing it again.
Yeah, actually, I think we already done it yesterday, right?
Yeah, no, we did it earlier with Nomad here. I'll give you a spoon too, because you're going to need it.
All right, thank you.
Please,
that's a 1.
5. Okay, it's a 1. You can go up. You can go up if you want hotter. This one is a jalapeno dill, so it's very pickly and all that. But you can go up to the garlic, the roasted chili, the hot peach habanero, ghost pepper, whatever you want.
Now, I am enjoying the hot sauce, but for the flavor.
Yeah.
The hotness is just there to make you feel it.
Okay, if you like hot sauce for flavor, these two that were made by a fan of ours, Herzl, some of the best hot sauce I've ever had. It's a tomato base, so it's a little bit different than regular hot sauce. So it tastes like kind of spicy meat sauce, basically, for spaghetti. So this is PLA, this is Peak.
Yep.
Peak requires a lot higher temperature, so it is quite a bit hotter. But I'd put it in between the peach habanero and the ghost personally.
Yep.
For spice, but I like them both. So if you want something for flavor, I'd go with one of those two.
Yep, I will pick the slower one now because I do know that I'm not that good.
All right. Use the plastic spoon, put a little bit on your spoon because it is very thick. You can put a fair bit on there. It's not very hot.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's very tasty.
Yep.
I will gladly do some of this right now because it should make my life a little bit better. Herzl, we're like halfway through your bottle. I want to point out, and your bottle is larger than any of the others that we have here on the table. That's how good this sauce is. Like, I'm doing a massive dollop.
Right.
Cheers. It's for the children.
Ooh.
Right?
It's a very unique flavor. Honestly, spaghetti sauce, as you said.
Right. It's a little bit spicy spaghetti sauce. So it's a tomato and garlic base. And I've never had a hot sauce like this before, but it is a very unique experience, but it's a good one, I think, right?
Yeah, you can imagine, like, I can already imagine having a giant bowl of spaghetti with this in it and a bit of meatballs, maybe some basil on it. And oh my God, that's going to be a great day, whoever has this bottle.
DevMiner says Hunzel's name is getting butchered again, but no, it's H-U-R-Z-E-L. It's Herzl. Am I wrong on this? Can someone put the phonetic pronunciation of this, please? I've been calling him Herzl. All right, Herzl, whatever I'm supposed to pronounce. Can you put the phonetic pronunciation so my American ass can figure it out? Thanks. It's good sauce though, right?
Yeah, indeed.
So where do you live?
Oh, I live in Reading, so basically.
Yep, I've been there.
Oh,
Got stuck there. Got stuck there. My first Smurf.
Because
the trains were on strike, and we thought we had a train from London up to Oxford.
Right.
It got us stuck in Reading. We got on a different train, and the platform was correct. The train number was correct. But at the last minute, they changed it, and my phone didn't update, so we ended up going to Swindon.
Swindon.
Was able to basically get off that train onto another to go back to Reading, where I called, for the first time in a very long time, I called my final contingency, which was very politely ask some friends of ours that were exhibiting to come and pick us up. And they came and picked us up like the absolute awesome people there. The Diamondback guys came and picked us up
Oh, nice.
from the
nice.
Reading train station. It was like a 3-hour round trip for them
Indeed, indeed.
Yeah.
Not a 3-hour round trip. It must be
in
a
a car.
heavy traffic then.
Oh yeah, it was very heavy traffic. Yeah, it
Yeah,
was,
no, because if you catch it on a off-peak hours, you can do it in less than an hour, if I remember correctly.
let's see. Sorry, not sorry, Rob says. DevMiner got it wrong. See, DevMiner got it wrong. Herzl says I'm doing it just fine, damn it. But if you do want to give me the phonetic pronunciation, I will do it right, I promise. I never want someone's name to be wrong. I know how frustrating that can be, especially as an identical twin. So MLV just sent 20. It is up to you if
Yep.
you would like to continue to hang out.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm sure we've got other people that want to come in. So if you want to go back and man your booth, you can. If you want to do another role, you can as well.
No, I'm good. I'm good. Can hang out a little bit more.
All right.
Yep. And if anything, I just want to taste more hot sauce.
Well, grab the dice. Or if you could go to the peak now if you want.
All right, let's try that.
All right,
Let's
yeah.
go with. Well, let's
'Cause-
try the pain.
It's outside of a 5, you're not going to roll hotter than this.
All right. Yep.
You're okay.
Is that
All
too
right.
much?
Dude, whatever you want to do, homie.
All right.
That's between you and yours.
All right.
Let me try to match that here. It's good though. It is very, very good. I like this sauce.
Yep.
It is spicy. There's boot jalokia peppers in here,
Yeah.
one of the hottest peppers in the world.
Oh. Flavor the same, but that's definitely harder.
Literally, Herzl sent me the entire recipe for it. It is almost identical. It's just more peppers. Yeah, sneak it up on you, huh?
Not that hot, I don't know, actually.
It's not. I was expecting this to be way hotter than it is.
Yeah, no. Some hot sauce like to punch you, and it's all there is.
Not these.
No,
No.
but these are. I think the flavor helped save it because I was enjoying the flavor, and then the hot sauce just come and it's gone, and it was like, I still love the
But
spaghetti.
can you imagine this on some spaghetti sauce? Like,
Oh yeah.
I'm over here like, all right, I'm thinking some good homemade meatballs, proper from scratch spaghetti with a mix of these two sauces. Buddy, that's like my perfect spaghetti and meatballs right
Mm.
there.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
I know I'm
definitely.
gonna piss off the Italians, and I don't care. Anthony's not here, right? So
Ah,
he's
no.
over there somewhere.
Trust me, the only thing the only time you can mix up the Italian is when you mix up the very simple recipe. This is not a simple
No,
recipe.
you just take a whole bunch of spaghetti and break it in front of them.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
that's a faster way.
No, look, my mom does a lot of Italian and Hispanic cooking, so she firmly believes in the measure with your heart.
Yeah.
So it's like a lot of the family recipes are way harder for us to keep track of because it's like, well, yeah, I did it a little bit different. It's like, well, it was a lot better. What did you do different? Well, I added some different spices. We're trying to keep track of the recipes.
Yeah, no, that's the funny thing because it's all about the feeling of how you know how everything tastes, and you know what tomato tastes, but how it tastes when you condense it as well. So you just throw it in, and it's like I want it a little thicker now, but it's dense, thick tomato paste needs something to balance it.
Yeah.
Against the sourness of it in it. Then
Yep.
it's cheese, so you put a bit of chili in it, maybe some basil, some dill. Not dill, sorry. I don't. They're gonna kill me on that if they know.
When in doubt, just add more garlic. I'm the
Oh,
kind
yeah.
of person you can't have too much garlic. You
Indeed.
can't have too many onions.
Oh yeah, that's a funny thing, but I didn't realize. I don't know. Do you guys here in the West do garlic confit?
Yeah, confit.
Yeah.
Garlic confit.
Like a tub full of garlic with a lot of olive oil.
Yep.
And just in the oven.
Yep, for a nondescript amount of time.
Yep.
And you get out what is basically a onion or garlic sauce. And
Yeah,
it's
like
so good.
Oh yeah, that was a beautiful. What's the beautiful thing? And the funny thing because I asked that because I just realized that only the Korean actually do like selling garlic in the back load, like a kilo back of load, like pre-built pill and all that. So don't have to peel it, just dump it in and then oil in.
Yep.
Oh, beautiful.
Well, cool, man. Do you have anyone else that wants to come up?
Yeah.
You want to go up?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Pass him the microphone.
All
when you
right.
get a
Yeah.
chance. And
There you go, mate.
looks like he wants to set up a camera too, right?
Yeah, might as well.
Give you a second or two. Thank you again, Vinny. Appreciate it.
I'm clicking all the buttons, all the wrong buttons.
Yeah, you know.
Cameras.
Oh, it's almost perfect.
Almost.
Wow.
Good enough.
Sweet.
Right.
Oh, man.
Hiya.
Oh, you covered it with tape. I didn't think about that.
Yeah. Oh, I'll
Flip mine
I'll
over,
your
'cause-
one the other way
Because
around.
if you look, I
Yeah.
embedded the magnet
Yeah,
in
and the-
TPU.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
That works
I'm like,
too.
that's good enough. That covers it.
I always just use the clip, so it just about works.
Yeah. I don't know. I went for the cover.
How many sauces in are you?
I am 4 hours yesterday and an hour today.
Okay.
How many sauces? I don't know.
Got Marmite back here as well.
Yeah. It's part of the lucky dip because you
Ah.
can get lucky and earn yourself a chance to eat some Marmite.
Right. Right.
The thing
Okay.
here. So introduce yourself to the folks
Hiya.
at home.
Hi, I'm Thomas. I'm from a channel called Mellow
Oh.
Labs.
Okay.
I don't mind hot sauces. I am a very ugly hot sauce eater in that I will just cry.
Uh-huh.
But
And so why'd you choose to sit down here?
that's a good question.
Yeah, I'm really wondering.
Honestly, just for fun, It's life experience, isn't it?
Nomad, you left your wrapper over here. Right. Ah, yes, I'll show that off in a second. Sorry, go ahead.
No,
It was a great throw. The camera didn't catch it. That was a great that went right over Amber's shoulder, right into his arms.
It went.
Yeah, basically. Sorry.
yeah, yeah. I don't really have a reason. Just here. Why not?
Just here to hang out.
Yeah,
But you're a content creator.
indeed. Yeah.
So what's your channel?
Mellow Labs. I do a lot of like Home Assistant type stuff.
Okay.
Some 3D printing in there as well, but
Yeah, you gotta have a little bit.
I don't know a little bit.
Are you aware of what I'm holding?
No, no idea.
You
What
don't
is
know what this is?
it? Is it glow in the dark filament?
It's some special glow in the dark filament.
Okay.
Yes. This is the brand new Prusa Ultra Glow.
Oh, I've heard of it.
And I happen to keep an Olight Arc Pro on me. Olight sent this over a while ago, but it happens to have a very bright UV light on it. So
Wow.
even in broad daylight,
Wow, that is bright. for
it
film.
glows.
This is gonna be a pain to print, right?
Oh yeah, no, it obliterates nozzles. Within 10 to 20 grams, you will see proper degradation on a brass nozzle. Did you actually do it?
Me?
I know Tommy was doing it, right?
Yeah, Tommy was. No, but like one extruder line can make one pallet. More
Beautiful.
maintenance needs to be done.
Beautiful. Yeah. Sounds about right, because it's got a lot of strontium illuminate in it. It is the strongest glow
Yeah.
filament out there on the
I'm
market.
surprised
Literally
it
from
doesn't- I'm
over
surprised
here.
it doesn't crack when you just
From over
bend it
here,
a
I
little.
can charge it up, just to give you guys an idea. Like, absolutely ridiculous.
What would you use this for?
So, okay, Tommy from Prusa has like given me the best idea here. I'll give this back to you, boss. Oh, you still need the light, don't you? Here. I'm just gonna put it back in my pocket. All right, whatever, fine. Lampshades. Lampshades.
Do you want a lampshade that continues to glow after the
So
fact?
think about this, okay? If you are the type of person that likes or doesn't have smart lights in your house, so you turn off the light before you go to bed,
Right.
you're now navigating to your bed in the dark.
Mm-hmm.
Not if it's glowing.
I guess.
I-
I'm a smart light person though, so
I know, yeah, I'm
I'm in the,
making this to the Home Assistant YouTuber, right? Like, good job, Grant. You really chose your
I've
audience
got
on that
motion
one.
sensors in my kitchen that just
Yeah.
turn the lights on. So I'm like, I don't really need that.
Fair. Okay, you don't really need that. All
To be
right.
fair, I only print in like PLA. I have no use for like fancy materials or anything. So I'm really
Well, that
basic
is
when
a
it comes to
PLA,
3D
I
printing.
think. Well, it's probably more strontium illuminate than it is PLA, but
Most likely, yeah.
you know. So, okay. What could you use it for? I don't know. Maybe
Yeah, it's-
emergency lighting.
Well, I don't think it would be bright enough for long enough. For
If your
emergency
power
light.
goes out, it'll be enough to illuminate a way to see.
It'll be enough for you to realize, oh, the power's gone out. Oh, now I can't see anything because it's the
Yeah,
light fading
yeah.
out. Maybe.
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 I'm really pushing it on this one. I know.
I'm trying to think like it doesn't stay lit for long enough because I was thinking like if you have like skirting boards at
Uh-huh.
home and like middle of the night you're trying to walk to the bathroom, but like it wouldn't illuminate for long
They're
enough.
actually claiming so it has a sharp drop off
Yeah.
of about 50%, but then
Mhm.
it's like 4 or 5 hours until the rest of it's gone. So
Okay.
it's not impossible.
Yeah.
but it's probably a little impractical.
Hmm.
Unless you did lit baseboards with UV lights
Yeah,
and it made it glow green.
maybe.
With
That might work. No,
Ah.
because I'm thinking it would be a pain if I was to put lights along like the floorboards.
Uh-huh.
It would be a pain to run all the LEDs and the cables and all that.
oh, it's
But if I have like a UV light in the corner of the room and just like those,
I'm thinking like a
lines on
WLED strip light
yeah,
utilizing a phone or something like that with multiple Bluetooth receivers,
yeah,
so it can triangulate your position,
right,
and as you're walking
right.
a few steps in front of you, it's turning on the UV really quick to make the baseboard glow.
Right, so we have something in Home Assistant called millimeter wave sensors,
Yes,
which can
that.
basically track your position the same way.
That works.
Kind
too.
of a lot easier. But yeah,
I'm
yeah,
not
that could
heavily invested in Home Assistant just yet.
work.
That is
just
the-
yet. When you start, I mean,
Well,
it's
so-
continuous.
So for my business, we do a lot of ITAR work. So like
Uh-huh.
we can't have Home Assistant in the business.
Right.
but
What's
in my-
ITAR? I have no idea what
International
that is.
Traffic and Arms Regulation. So it is the rules and regulations around things that go bang.
Okay, cool.
So I do a lot of like government
Right.
level 3D
right.
printing.
Okay.
Right. So
cool.
I've been a professional in the industry since 2011, a hobbyist since 2008. So I'm I guess different than a lot of content creators.
Yeah.
I've had a profession in this industry well before I did it on
Yeah,
camera. And most of the work that we do, we cannot show,
Bummer.
or we will go to prison for decades and be fined $250,000.
If it's
per
cool
incident.
enough, worth it.
I mean, I'm not rich enough yet to violate ITAR and get away with it, so maybe one day. Yeah, look, it's not the War Thunder forums on our YouTube channel, okay? So, what
Right.
has been your favorite Home Assistant project?
Jeez. Do you know what? I don't have a favorite. So I recently moved into a new place.
Okay.
So we're still rolling out some of the smart
it's a
things.
blank slate.
It's mostly a blank
yeah.
slate. So like the latest thing I put in was like the smart kitchen lights, just because
Okay.
it's like under cabinet and it only turns on when you walk into the kitchen. So it's
Nice.
nice. So that was fun. But like my favorite Home Assistant thing, man. I don't have a favorite. That's the thing. My favorite is whatever I'm working on next.
That's fair. Okay, so for a newbie with
Yeah.
Home Assistant, newbie
Mhm.
with Home Assistant,
Mhm.
what is the most like bang for the buck thing that I can do that will get me kind of like the most value with Home Assistant to kind of understand its potential?
I like to have like temperature sensors in my rooms.
Okay.
So like humidity, pressure, you can get like a really cheap
Yeah,
little
yeah.
sensor connected to an ESP, and you can have like the environmental stuff in your room.
Right.
Which is nice because you can see like how when you open a window, how the cold air like goes through the house and stuff like that.
What's cold air like?
Sorry?
I live in Florida. What is cold air like?
Ah, yes, I see. Moisture, humidity. How are you guys on humidity?
Plenty of that.
Okay, well, you can
Yeah.
see how that goes through your
It's a
house.
swamp.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's rough.
So you can do that. Smart lighting is always a good bet, like some
Yep.
LEDs and stuff like that. It's just a given.
Love the smart lights.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of Home Assistant integrations for like 3D printers and stuff as well. So you can just have like a light come on when your 3D print's done as well.
Right.
So there's a bunch of cool stuff in there. Fan wise, you can do that as well. It just turns on the fan when you run the printer or stuff like that. It's just so many things you can do. It's like start. You just pick a thing and start,
And just
then
go down the rabbit
you
hole.
just go down the rabbit hole.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah.
I watched the YouTuber Great Scott quite a bit, and his Home Assistant panel. I'm like, oh hell yes, absolutely.
Well, the one that he recently, I'm pretty sure, said it wasn't very good, and his partner told him to get rid of it.
Yes, and he went to the e-ink, I think, right?
Yeah.
I'm like, one, great use for an e-ink display.
Yeah.
Phenomenal
course,
use
yeah.
for that. And with the shared calendar, another
Mhm,
great
mhm,
use for e-ink displays. I'm like, damn, that would be so useful,
Mhm.
but I want to do it to where our team can update a shared calendar
Yeah.
so that I can see what's going on a dedicated screen.
Yeah.
Like, that's the kind of stuff where I'm like, Home Assistant would be super cool for that.
Yeah, definitely. It's
But I
doable.
don't know a damn thing about coding.
You don't even need to code these days. Are you allowed to use GPT with your thing, or
Only
do you try to
so
avoid it?
I can personally outside
Yeah.
the business network,
Okay. Yeah.
but we do have, we're trialing it, but a
Yeah.
fully locally ran
Uh-huh.
Claude, I think.
Okay, yeah, that works too.
It's the open source one that can like buy stuff for people. We're
Oh,
not giving it
okay.
obviously that much.
Yeah.
I don't know what the hell they're calling it now.
Open claw or
Yeah,
claw
whatever.
something. Yeah,
it is.
whatever that one is.
That's
I
we're
don't know,
running
I've
it
never
on a
played around
spare
with it.
Mac Mini
Okay, cool.
just to see what we
Yeah.
can get out of it.
I mean, yeah. So for Home Assistant, any kind of AI assistant you want to use for coding, it just makes it so much easier because you're just basically, vibe coding the whole thing.
Right.
But like Home Assistant is so easy to do now as well, because like a lot of it's mostly click and drag and stuff like that. So yeah, you just kind of begin and again go down the rabbit hole.
I
and there's
promise
so
you I will
much-
find a way to screw it up. I guarantee it. Every time.
Well, not if you watch my videos. No, I'm awful.
Even
I
then,
usually skip
even
past
then, it's funny. Basically, every content creator I meet is like, "Oh yeah, my channel's terrible. I don't know what I'm doing."
Oh, I
But-
don't have a clue.
They're not, and they're good. Oh, are you going into a chat? Okay, all right. I'll get you when you come out then.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to
No, you're
schedule
good.
everybody.
Yeah.
Is this the? Oh, it's the bamboo chat, isn't it?
Do you need to go to that?
I think it's the bamboo chat.
Do you need to go to that?
I am trying to get Cedric to sit down with me after he's done.
No.
Or it's happening right around now. But yeah, I'm trying to get Cedric to sit down. And I even offered, I said, I understand that bamboo might not be my biggest fan. I only no one really understands why, obviously, but I am happy to stick to a list of questions, or I'm happy to get a list of things I can't ask. And I will follow the rules. I'll be a good boy because I think it's important to sit down with somebody across the aisle and be able to have a adult professional conversation.
Yeah, fair.
Regardless of what we feel about things.
Yeah.
Right?
No, played around. How are their bamboo printers? Like, I've not had one.
What do you print on?
Prusa. Well, I literally just received a Prusa Core 1.
Okay.
That's a lovely printer. Love
Okay.
it. I have a Prusa Mini, which I printed mostly PETG on it, mostly because for some reason it doesn't want to print PLA anymore. I don't know if it's the. I've probably.
Are you running the stock hot end still?
Yeah.
Go to the Revo Micro. It's. I don't know why, but it does run a lot better with a Revo.
We'll see. I also have a Creality High.
Okay.
Which they sent it to me because YouTube stuff, and I'm like, cool.
It's a Creality printer at the end of the day.
It's a Creality printer.
Yeah.
It just about does the job. I mean, it prints fine. The stuff around it is kind of
that checks out. Yeah, I mean that's kind of what we expect.
Yeah.
Right. When you're buying things at a certain price point, there are certain price point problems that come with it, right? So I'll say it. I'm not worried about it. But how big's your channel?
25K.
Okay.
Almost 26, I think.
How long you been making content for?
Since 2020.
Okay.
Officially since 2020.
Cool.
Yeah, I did like
Full-time gig?
Minecraft stuff. At this point, yeah.
Nice.
I live in a really cheap area of the country, so I'm basically just making videos all day long.
Are you here in the UK or where do you
Yeah.
live? Okay.
I'm in the UK, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, no, it's
Awesome.
great.
Well, let's see if we get to suffer a little bit. Let's see what we got. Huh? Oh, it's Pooch's. Oh, okay. It's the I just want to make cool stuff. Yep. Okay. God, I'm getting heartburn already today. Oh, it's gonna be a rough day. All right, so we don't have any more donations. So guys, if you want us to suffer, now's the right time. I mean, if you want to just force suffering on yourself, you're welcome to. It's not a
that's an option?
requirement. If you want to do a dice roll, you're welcome to. And we'll just apply it later. I don't want people to get out of. Oh, cool, great. My favorite one.
Is this one 4?
No, the next one is.
This one.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, 6 out of 10, and that one's 8. Ooh,
Yeah.
Okay. How does it?
You're gonna have to wash your hands now.
That's fine.
Yeah, we
need to
got
go to the-
wipes. We got wipes. Just be careful. That's habanero.
Okay.
You said you don't like spice, right?
I don't mind spice, but I'm an ugly spice eater. So I'll live with it.
Yeah.
I'm just cry and I gag and all this stuff, but I don't mind the taste of it.
Okay. Crying and gagging on the YouTube channel. Yeah, we're gonna have to go to a different different streaming platform. Don't do a lot, man. Don't be dumb.
Is that a lot?
It's respectable. You could have gone less. I wouldn't have blamed you. I have to match what you do. This is the problem.
Oh, then that
So-
I should have gone for more.
If you want to add more, you're welcome to. I'm doing this all day.
Do you guys have non-dairy milk, just in case?
We have, yes, actually, right?
Joseph, can you do me a massive favor? Can you fill up my water bottle? I don't know where you're gonna find water.
Yes. Are you allergic to milk or are you lactose intolerant?
Lactose intolerant.
Great. This is non-lactose milk.
I'll be fine actually.
Lactose-free.
Okay, cool.
And whatever the heck this is. I think it's coconut milk.
Coconut. Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'll need it, but just in case,
I don't
it's better
know
to
either.
my options. Yeah, exactly.
Better to have it, not need it.
You wanna
than need it,
cheers?
not have it. Yes, sir. Cheers.
Ooh.
Brother, that's just
Ooh.
getting started.
Okay.
I said what I said.
It tastes surprisingly
It tastes great.
good.
Yeah, tastes great. Oh, he gets the hiccups too. Yeah.
I did say it tastes surprisingly good. Ooh, my tongue is.
It gets
Dang.
worse.
Does it?
Yeah. Would you like, what do you want? Do you want lactose-free milk or you want this coconut milk?
I'm surprisingly okay on the spice level.
Yeah, your body's telling me very, very different things than that.
I can't control exactly what my body does, but I know what my brain's telling me, and it's like, this is fine.
Yeah?
This is fine.
Are you just acting like a big man?
I mean, I've already stopped the hiccup, so
Yeah, oh, okay. It's so hot.
it's not bad.
He's not taking it well. I'd be careful now. Yeah, that's fair. Oh, okay. He's just cleaning the spoon.
Yeah,
Okay.
no, this is fine. Should have gone higher. How
Rough.
are you doing?
I mean, I'll get a little bit of
What
water.
is your
but
favorite been so far?
the garlic. Well, okay. Out of these 5, it's the garlic, but
Okay.
these 2 for sure.
Okay.
So those 2 are made from a fan.
Yeah.
Germany.
Oh.
This one's nice and sweet. This one's a little hotter.
Mm.
Yeah, the garlic one's probably my favorite.
Damn. That's good.
Mm-hmm. It's just hot.
It's just hot.
Really
It's just
friggin'
really
hot.
Like there's a lot of pepper flavor. It's nice.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
Hey, I've not had a sip of anything yet.
I got nothing to prove. I've been sitting up here for an hour and a half already today. I got nothing to prove.
Every time I exhale, I get a hit of heat.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's not the inhale's like, ooh, this is cool out here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not bad. Nice.
I went through 3 liters of water yesterday.
Wow. You have to pee a lot.
I did, yes. I've never had a longer pee in my life.
Wait, you were holding 3 liters in you.
I held 2. Amber says as a nurse, she doesn't want to tell us how many she's seen in a bladder before. All right. Is it double? More than a gallon. That's
I don't know what a gallon
it's
is.
fine. Nothing bad happens with that, right? I am going to be smart because I know I touched that bottle cap.
Ah, that's fair.
You want to wipe? Wipe your hands down?
Yeah,
You probably should. Here you go.
Thank you.
These are from last year, I think, from the pie face thing.
Wow, still moist.
Yeah, I know. Oh, God. It sticks around, too, doesn't it?
Yeah. No, it's
Yeah.
not bad. I'm surprised how
Wash
short
out
it
those
lasted.
kidneys. That's true. I might get stomach ulcers, but damn it, my kidneys are going to be clean.
Worth it.
Oh, but it's all for a good cause. Every penny goes directly to the Sanjay Mortimer Foundation. So thank you all for your donations. And I'll take that when you're done. I got a trash bag over here.
Okay. Nice.
Thank you all for your donations in making us suffer.
Indeed.
Plug the channel so people can go and follow you.
Yeah,
What do you got? What is it?
Oh,
Oh, it's in the chat already? Plug it again.
Mellow Labs.
Lano, L-A,
Mellow Labs.
Mellow Labs.
Uh,
Is that M-E-L-O or M-E-L-L-O?
MELLOW.
Okay. Okay, M-E-L-L-O-W.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then underscore labs.
Like,
Yeah.
it's mellow, man.
Mellow,
Yeah, it's just kind of easy.
Yeah, I can't have the
easy
domain
going.
because it's linked to some weed thing, so can't have the
Yeah.
domain.
I was going to ask, but you answered it for me.
Nah, not my thing, I'm afraid.
Oh, gosh.
Nice.
Do hope that it was a free hand to pee. Yep. I am warning all the users that touch it. The hot sauce, mucus membranes and hot sauce do not go well together. It will burn, and it will
Yeah.
burn a lot, and there's nothing
Yeah.
you can do to stop it.
That's true.
It just burns.
Yeah.
Well, dude, thank you so much for
Yeah.
coming on. Is there anyone else who wants to join? Danny? All right. I'll take my. If you want to just pass it to Danny. We have our first giant on the stream coming in.
Yeah, I just had my head cut off the entire time.
Yeah. No, you'll be fine.
What's up?
How you doing, boss?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, you know, it's warm. It's warm here.
Yeah, very warm.
Yeah, it's
Just like where we come from.
Yeah, that's right. You're a northern.
A northern compared to you, yes.
Where are you from? Out in Florida?
Southern Alabama, so right on the right on the line.
Yeah, Southern Alabama, Northern Florida, same thing.
Very much.
Yeah.
How's your day?
Warm.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah, so you're staying very warm in this cool weather that we have here in Manchester.
There's part of me that's like tempted to do it outside to see if I could get my heart rate and skin temp enough up to start to get smoking on the skin because it's so cold outside. But no, that's too much work.
Yes, I understand that.
So I would say you are probably one of the like more well-known up-and-coming content creators right now. Your stuff over on Instagram and on YouTube is just exploding. Your quality of your content has been blowing me away. If you don't know, it's Danny Neokoi Prince. Dude.
Thank you.
I've told you many times how impressed I am with the quality of your content. It is really, really good. You've got that whole pacing and the shots and the editing, and you've got it down. And that's something that like even I struggle with 6 years down in this game. And you've been doing it for how long?
I started taking it seriously last year, January.
Okay.
So about a year and a quarter now.
And what's your following on Instagram right now? 'Cause that's your main channel, right? Your main platform?
Well, I'd say that TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube are all three main channels.
What are you at on all three of those?
Roughly around 15K across each of them. But I mean, you're talking millions of views across all three. So yeah, but followers aren't what they used to be, right? From what I've heard from other people, subscribers and followers just isn't a count that you should be worried about. It's more about views.
Some older style companies still want to know how many, like subscribers. I'm like, it's never about the amount, it's the quality, right?
Right.
If I'm only getting, let's say, 1,000 views of video, but it is your exact target audience, and our conversion rate is 40%.
Sure.
We are operating at a better rate than a much larger creator might be able to.
Yeah, absolutely.
So to me, it's a better move. And of course, when you're a smaller creator, your rates are better.
Yeah,
But you've been doing a lot of work with Polymaker, right?
So yeah, in the past, that was actually the first company that I was sponsored by. So I did their ambassador program.
Yep.
Teaching people how to use HueForge on their Discord and through other means. And so I still work with them.
So good at it. You're so good.
Thanks, David. I
David Tobin, everybody.
What a sweetheart. But yeah, so Polymaker was the first company that I worked with. So, but I work with so many people now, just in general, because as well as most people know, with HueForge, you need a bunch of different kinds of colors, and Polymaker doesn't have everything that we need. So I try to branch out and get involved with everybody.
And you don't want to, put all your chickens in one basket, give or take, right?
Sure.
You want to make sure you're available to work with other people.
Right.
Karen is asking the question that I'm sure others are going to ask. OMG, how bloody tall is he?
Like 5'1".
Yeah,
5'2",
give or take.
Give or take.
Yeah.
6'7". I knew. That was good.
Like, this was neither of us planned that. That was so well timed. Oh, God.
Yeah.
Damn it. I
great.
hate my life for doing that.
Yes.
So much.
Got to do it for the memes.
You got to do it for the memes.
Yes.
But yes, Danny is tall and makes me feel like what Mitch and Nomad must feel around others.
I'm sure. Yeah.
So I kind of know you now as the Voron tool changer god.
Sure.
Right? You have figured out how to get these stealth changers to run really, really well.
I've had a lot of help. I'm not going to take all the...
Yeah, I'm not saying it's 100% you.
Yeah.
I'm saying you're the one showing them off and showing them running well.
Right.
I don't normally see them running that well.
No, and that's the big thing, right? Like, there was no content being made. I mean, I just got my serial number. Steve Builds just got his for his newest build, and I got mine the day after. So there's 260 stealth changers, give or take. And so, you know, it's such a small niche within the boron niche, right? And so there was no real coverage on the builds or anything along those lines. So when I came into it, I was like, well, this is a super cool project. We might as well document it. And so it kind of just took off from there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
But it is super fun to do content on, because tool changers this year, as I'm sure you're aware,
dude,
it's the flavor of the year.
That
I would say.
Snapmaker U1, far and away, one best printer under $2,000 in my opinion.
Oh, for 100%.
Yeah,
It upset me when they came to me for the beta of that a month after I finished my stealth changer. I said,
"Oh God,
why?" I just spent all this time and money on building my own. But obviously, it's a little bit different. But still, yeah, their machine is very capable. That's my TPU go-to now. Is the Snapmaker U1. So
I don't have one yet. That's like it's on my creator bucket list.
Yes.
Dude, they're so hard to get in contact with.
Yeah, well, everybody wants to get in contact
right.
with them.
So I'm like, I'm just gonna let it cool down for a bit, and then I'll jump in, because I've got an XL, right?
Yeah.
And so I do a lot of tool changing. We just got an HT90 in the shop, so we're doing a lot with that.
Nice.
Doing a 90-day HT90 challenge. See if we can pay off an HT90 in 90 days.
Heck yeah, that'll be really cool.
Yeah, I think we did it. I am waiting for the invoice to be fully paid. But once it's fully paid, it's done.
Right.
And it's funny because the challenge will be done before the video on the challenge is live.
Yeah. Well,
welcome to the world of content creation,
exactly,
right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
No, that's awesome.
So what's new coming up in your world right now?
So I just finished the Micron stealth changer.
Yep.
We shrunk the big stealth changer. That video I'll be working on that when we get home.
Okay.
And then I will be upgrading the big stealth changer for 2 videos. One video is going to be hot ends, extruders, beacon, all the fixings for a Voron, and then we'll be putting a box turtle on each tool.
Oh.
On that stealth changer.
That's a lot of colors.
24.
All for HueForge, right?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So ultimate HueForge machine is kind of the goal for it.
You're like the one person that I can justify needing that many colors with. Like, you know, if you have HueForge stickers on your conference badge, I feel like you're justified in as many colors as you need, because you're not doing very thick parts.
No.
But now you have options to do much closer to full color, which is awesome.
Right, and it's just a more automatic process. I mean, originally the plan was to do 6 10-lane box turtles.
Okay.
I physically do not have the space.
Not with that attitude.
No, but when I get to a new spot, building a wall of box turtles will be the goal. So
you're looking at expansion.
At some point, yes. At some point in the near future, I think, because we're in a 2-bedroom apartment, and so that 1 bedroom is the studio,
it's
you know.
Yep.
So it's just, I've outgrown it.
I'm sure your better half isn't a huge fan of the 2nd bedroom being your workshop.
Well, not to mention it's moved into the living room as well.
As it does. Yeah, we would never know what that's like, right, Amber?
Yeah, so
help.
as you get bigger machines, you know, it just you don't have room for it in a small room.
So I highly recommend, since you're in an area that I believe is actually relatively affordable to buy a house.
Okay.
Relative.
Yeah, relative.
Right.
Sure.
Land.
Right.
Land.
Yeah.
Because you will outgrow whatever you end up in, and it is very easy to just put a building on property.
Right. Exactly.
Right.
Agreed.
Make sure check your local laws, because man, they can be a pain. We have some fun ones in Florida.
Oh, I'm sure.
It's like we want to expand into shipping containers.
Yeah.
So I'm between concrete 3D printing the building. If I can get a concrete 3D printing company to agree to it, great. We're going to do that because I 3D printed my 3D printing business.
Right.
Duh.
Why not?
Right. Absolutely. The other option is shipping containers. But shipping containers are considered commercial equipment in Pasco County, and where I live is not zoned for commercial activity. The only way that you can get around that is if we do agriculture. Because I am zoned agriculture residential. So agriculture is something that is, you can use it for agriculture.
Sure.
Now, they haven't really well defined what agriculture means, and to me, I'm running a print farm.
Right.
So how is that not agriculture? But we're going to be putting a farm bot out there and having it use lasers and machine vision to kill weeds.
Whatever works.
I mean, that's
whatever
very
gets
Florida
you into shipping
man way to
containers,
kill
you know,
weeds. And then it's like, if I decide, you know what, I'm kind of done with Florida.
Yeah.
Pick up the container and move it, baby. I don't got to worry about it. So
that sounds a lot easier said than done. I mean,
it's, well, as long as you maintain the outside structure of the container.
Sure.
Make
Oh,
sure
so you're just doing one container. You're
Yeah.
not going to do multiple and then stack another one on
No,
top like
no,
those
no, no,
mini
no.
houses. Like,
Come on, dude. We're in hurricane country. We can't stack shipping containers.
I mean,
Yeah,
you
they'll-
could at least once.
They'll blow away like my shed did.
Yeah, yeah,
So yeah, the shipping container makes the most sense. They're 10,000 pounds empty,
right.
right? They're designed to float in the ocean.
Yeah,
So I'm like, if a shipping container blows away, my house is gone too.
yep, very true.
That's my theory, and they're really easy to go off grid. I got
Yeah.
all the CAD ready.
Right. Well, you've
Say.
already got the solar farm going, right? I mean, or at
I
least
have a
some.
small one, but we're
Okay.
going to be putting 10,000 watts of solar on.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
There you go.
Lots of batteries because I don't like power bills, and whatever excess power we have, at some point we'll do electric vehicles, but then maybe crypto mining because
Yeah.
I'm not selling the power back. That requires codes and
Yes.
contractors.
And then they have to know about it.
They're going to know about it anyway.
Yeah, they know,
it's
but still.
impossible not to see, but
Right.
yeah. So what you're saying is 3D printers and plants. It's not legal in Florida. If it becomes federally legal, sure, but not until then. David Connor Shover did. Yep, I saw it come through. I was getting to the end of our natural end of our conversation here. We had about $85 come through from David Connor Shover. So that is
Oh Lord.
3 dice rolls.
Okay. Fun.
How do you handle heat?
I'm fine with heat, to be honest.
Yeah.
I mean,
Okay.
I live in the south with you. I mean, it's not
Dude,
horrible.
it took me 2 months to get rid of my spice tolerance. I'm like actively regretting it.
Yeah.
Oh God. Oh no, Matt's makerspace ended up setting off home. Oh man. Okay. I think he was the one that donated the 100 pounds last night. So Matt, I don't know if you saw, but I took that and I used it to make Martin Bondeus have the ghost pepper. So Martin and I both had ghost pepper
How was that?
together.
Was that good?
I'd like you to look at the bottles and see which one's the lowest. It's the freaking ghost pepper.
Yeah. Yeah.
They're all tasty. These are the tastiest. in
I was
my
about to
opinion.
ask, which one do you find the most tasty? Not necessarily the heat. I mean, obviously the heat.
These two,
is-
100%.
Okay.
These are tomato based. So they're
Okay.
really different than most hot sauces, which are vinegar based.
Right.
These come from a fan from Germany.
Oh.
So they sent them over for us. This one is PLA. This one is Peak. So it's much
Okay.
hotter,
Yeah.
but the flavor, they're like heavy on garlic. It's basically spicy spaghetti sauce.
Nice.
And it's really good.
Yeah.
But let's roll some dice and see. You can always go up. You can't go down. Oh, it was 85 quid. I didn't see that. Okay, cool.
Let's roll dice.
That's a 3.
We got a 3.
All right, so that's the
Good.
red one in the middle.
Chili.
Yep.
Nice.
Probably shake it first,
Yeah,
just to
that
make
does-
sure. Because when they settle, all the capsaicin settles to the top,
Yeah.
and it hurts.
So how much should I?
As much as you want, I have to match whatever you do.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't got to be a hero here. I'm
That's
just
what I'm saying.
You don't
That's
got to
what
be
I'm
a
saying.
hero. Okay.
Yeah. I don't wanna be
You
a
know, why do I use my left hand to pour things?
hero.
Like, cap that back up so we don't drop it or anything.
I gotcha.
And we got to go track down Steve at some point.
Has Steve not been on yet?
No, he hasn't.
That
No,
guy.
and the
He's a
Voron
busy
project
man.
is sponsoring all the sauce.
Right. He's a busy man.
He is.
Especially
He's got
today.
Stuff to do, man.
Yeah.
All right, down the
Cheers.
hatch for the kids. It's tasty.
That one's really good.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So is this? I remember seeing all of your advertisement for everything. Is this
It's
all Pex
Voron.
peppers or
It's Voron.
it's Voron?
It's Voron.
It's okay.
One of one.
One of one. All right.
Long story. I'll tell you later.
Yeah. Okay.
It's
fair.
Voron.
It's Voron.
Thanks, Voron, for sponsoring the sauce.
I love Voron sauce.
Me too. One of one.
Yes.
Never be made again.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
No, the chili's really good.
It is.
That's really nice.
It is.
It's almost like a salsa, like a more warm salsa to a degree.
I'm upset that I haven't thought of that.
I mean,
You're right.
It's
It is-
seriously.
It's a runny salsa.
Yeah.
I like the chunkier sauce, a little bit pico in
Agreed.
there.
Yeah, agreed.
But you're totally right.
Especially with where we're at with the Tex-Mex that we get all the time. I mean, that really tastes like
Yeah.
right about where you're at.
There's a Tex-Mex place by us that does live mariachi bands on
Oh,
Fridays.
really?
And
That's an
I
experience.
forget, and it's loud. And they're
Yeah.
good.
Right.
Like they're really good, but
But
it is
still,
so loud. I'm
You're
like,
inside with a mariachi,
I
man.
am in neurodivergent hell
Yeah.
because everything is overstimulating.
Right. That's funny.
And that makes me quiet.
Yeah.
It's like the exact opposite of what people think. I get very quiet when I'm overstimulated.
Yeah. I can understand that.
Yeah. All right, we got two more.
Two more.
We have two
I'm
more.
gonna go ahead and roll the next one.
From David Connor Shover.
We got number 1.
You can go up if you want. That is the dill jalapeno.
We'll do the garlic. I'm down
The
to try
garlic's my favorite.
The garlic looks
Out
good.
of these 5, the garlic is my favorite.
Yeah, the garlic looks good. We'll try it.
Yeah. Thank God we're rolling low numbers right now.
I was about to say you don't want the ghost. So then wait. So how do you get peak? Because there's 2, 4, 6, 7. There's 7 here. Do I have to purposefully go up?
There's technically there's now like 8.
Okay.
Because there's supposed to be 5 sauces, and then if you roll a 6, it's a mystery from the mystery bag of things behind me.
Okay.
So there's stuff people brought stuff from all around the world for this mystery day. And you're welcome to try some. I can bring it all out. We can go through it if you want to try some different stuff. We also have English mustard.
What is English mustard?
Spicy.
Okay.
It's
like spicy, like
horseradish spicy.
Ah.
It's not like a burny heat spice.
No, it's just clear out your sinuses spice.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Like wasabi. Like wasabi.
Horseradish.
Yeah.
I said what I said.
Yeah. Yeah, I was about to say it was kind of hard to pour.
Someone made the joke earlier. We need to do a cold pull on this.
A cold
stuff.
pull.
Yeah. There. Got to tap it a bit.
You got a little bit more than me. I got to match you now.
It's super mild
No,
comparatively.
yeah, I got to match you. No,
Tap
so
it on the spoon.
I want some thick.
Do you want some thick?
Well, 3 C's.
I got thick for you right here, boy. I know that southern accent works for you.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide. That's right. You're from Bama. You got to say Roll
You
Tide.
got after everything.
All right, the garlic.
Cheers.
I love garlic.
I do as well.
Love garlic. That's great sauce.
No, that one just tastes really good. These all taste really good. Yeah, we tried so far at least.
Blame Atheist doesn't tell how long. We're doing this for at least another hour, and then we're going to move over to a Making Sauceum podcast with Jacob.
Sauceum? Oh, yeah, I saw Jacob walking around.
Because sauces.
Yes.
Yeah. Yep. Because Jacob cannot handle sauce and spice at all.
Really?
He's British.
Well, that's fair.
Black pepper's hot for him.
Literally.
Yeah. Come on.
No, it's true.
You're ginger.
We went.
Yeah, you're ginger. Of course you can handle spice.
We went to Korean barbecue last night, and the peppered beef that they had was too much for Ian. That was a lot of. He said that was a lot of spice, and I'm like, it's just black pepper.
It's just black pepper, homie.
There's no spice on this.
If you want to try something that is warm,
yeah,
but very good, it's the Peak hot sauce. So we can use that as your last roll if you want. If you'd rather actually roll, you can. This I put between the peach habanero and the ghost pepper, but it's
tasty.
It's Italian gravy with spices in it. It's so good.
Let's do it. Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah,
let's
use the spoon because it is thick as oatmeal. As much as you want, it is so good. You will likely want more. I am building a hot sauce company for Herzl at this point because this stuff is so damn good.
Yeah.
Even the hot stuff is just...
Is this Voron sauce as well one of
No,
one, or
this
is
is
it
not.
actually a brand?
It's neither. This comes from a fan of ours in Germany who grows their own peppers.
Oh, he did everything himself.
This is all handmade
awesome.
sauce. I have the recipes if you like it.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Let's
do
try
it. A little bit of peak
Cheers.
because we like the heat.
Wow. That's really good.
It's tomato based.
Yeah.
It's so different.
It's very different.
But and then there's the heat at the end.
Yeah, it's a little
heaty.
Yeah.
And it stays around for a while.
Yeah.
But it is so damn tasty.
That's really nice. I would have a hard time figuring out what to put that on though. Like as far as dishes.
Spaghetti and meatballs.
You know what? That would be really good. That would be really, really good.
And if you mix
for
it,
this.
the PLA is much sweeter. You can try that too if you want. If you want to try.
Let's try it. Let me try some PLA.
Well,
Let me try some
man,
PLA.
I'm telling you,
It's so good.
He was putting it on a sandwich earlier.
Oh, I believe it.
Like, I'm going to give these bottles to Jacob, but I'm like, I'm keeping these. I will find a way to take these with me because they're so good. Like this hot sauce is so damn good. Herzl, I'm telling you, whatever you're doing for a living, you should be making sauce.
Yeah.
Ready?
Cheers.
Right?
Yeah, that's super nice.
Right? That's your main spaghetti sauce. If you like a little extra heat, you can add that to it.
Yeah. No, that's really good.
And it's like, it's doable. It's thick. It's so much garlic and onion in it.
Yeah. But not too much.
Yeah, it's a little heat. It's a little heat.
He's dying over here.
Where's my mystery
Gotta get some
bag?
milk?
Huh?
I said, do you have to get some milk?
No, I'm looking for my mystery bag of pain.
Mystery bag of pain.
Oh, okay, it's by Danny. There's a cooler underneath the table. Grab it.
Ah.
If you want to go through it and pick out some stuff that you want to try, you can.
Twizzlers. That's a mystery box of pain, I see.
Jacob hates Twizzlers.
Oh, okay.
Absolutely hates them. So I had to bring them just to torture Jacob.
That's awesome.
Yeah, the American candy he doesn't care about. Give him one of the Maribels. It's like a pistachio and nougat thing.
Oh, cool.
Oh, there's Cadbury cream eggs and things, but we're gonna try those together, right? Is that the plan? All right.
Woo. We came over here just to get squashies. We have them in America, but they are not the same. Not even close. Like they taste stale almost in America. Like you can get them at Target, but they're just not.
Do you want to try? You want to have one then?
Oh, we have some.
Yeah, we have the Cadbury cream eggs in there.
Oh, let's try some.
All right, let's do it. These are proper. Amber, you want one? Amber likes chocolate, so got to give one to Amber. Danny, and I'll take one.
The first time that I had chocolate outside of the U.S.,
one, Amber.
Changed my entire perspective on chocolate.
I'll eat the rest.
Yeah.
Yep. We're gonna split it so that way, one, they last longer, but then two, Amber likes chocolate a ton, but doesn't like a lot of it at once. I will take as much chocolate as I can.
I was about to say
whenever
I
I
take too
can.
much.
Yeah.
Right.
Have you guys tried the Biscoff Cadbury eggs? Anything with Biscoff cookies, I'm in. I'm
about.
I'm sorry. Biscoff?
Biscoff.
I will crack raw spaghetti in front of you.
Yeah, Mamma Mia. Yeah.
Mambo Italiano or something.
Hey, Mambo.
No, man's a trip, dude. He is a trip. These are very good. Very good.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, caramels. Yeah, I saw. Those got the heat, too.
They really do.
The fondant, it's like just pure sugar. And the fondant takes care of everything.
Huh? Yes, 3.
Very
Oh,
good.
man. That's awesome.
Yeah, definitely send me the recipe.
Yeah, I will.
That's so good.
Herzl, you gotta start making sauce, homie.
Agreed.
Gotta start making sauce. Hey, Pez Liz for the Canadian 149. Liz, donate that money to Sanjay Mortimer Foundation. I can't do it inside of YouTube. It's weird. Cool, man.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for coming out. Thanks for plug yourself one more time.
Check me out. Linktree/Neokoi Prince. You can find all of my social media, my TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, wherever, X. You can find me wherever.
Yes, wherever your quality 3D prints are sold, right?
Yes,
Something like that.
Exactly. Something like that.
Dude, it's been a pleasure.
Yeah,
it's
man.
always great seeing you.
Thanks for having me on.
Thanks for doing the gauntlet as it was.
Yes.
Oh, man.
Give that back to you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Bring on the next one. I can take the spoon, too, from you. I'll take all your trash. Give me the napkin, too. It's cross-contaminated. Just the one. Yeah, and grab a hand wipe, too, just in case.
Okay.
They're down there. Homie, you don't want to find out you got hot sauce on your hands when you got to go pee, okay?
That's right.
You don't want that. You don't want that. All right. You want to come up? Come on down. Everything is warm. I've got like this weird, here you go. I got this weird sensation of like the cooling Cadbury cream egg, but now it's like starting to wear off my tongue and my throat. It's like the back of my tongue and the top of my throat are still on fire. But the front of my tongue's like, everything is fine. There's no issues here. The world is great.
It's fine.
There's no problems at all.
No. Why
But
would there?
for some reason, the rest of me, my body is very confused right now. And I'm a little concerned. Is this rolling? No, it wasn't. Okay. I'll re-roll. Started and then it stopped. Come on. All right. While I'm doing that, tell the folks at home who you are, where you come from, and what you do.
I'm Luke, like Sloth Lord, whatever you. I just hobbyist, just 3D print random things. Don't do much content. The only thing I really did was tested if a Polymaker dryer box can hold Monster. It turns out it can.
I assume it can, yeah.
Yeah, very watertight. And then drank from it.
Okay. Huh? I'm sorry? Steaks in the printer? Oh, you cooked a steak in a printer too?
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yes, yeah. We used a heated chamber on a 3D printer to sous vide a steak.
Okay.
Because people have done, you know, the searing the steak on the build
Yeah.
plate. I wanted to sous vide a steak and we did it for April Fools, and we streamed the entire time. So it's literally just watching paint dry,
Yeah,
basically.
of course.
But it was funny. And then we seared it with a big ass blowtorch.
And how well did it work?
That wasn't bad.
Yeah.
I mean, it worked. The hardest thing was dealing with how much water there was and the thermal mass of getting the water up to temp. When you're only working with like a 200 or 300 watt, heater internally, that takes a very long time to get water up to that the heater's not directly in.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it did work. It did work.
I mean, you could revisit when you have a Core 1L.
Yeah, but it's still, that's passive. You
Yeah.
have to have active cooling or it won't work. Yeah, there's no chance passive would get it hot enough. I have an HT90 though.
That would work.
That would work great. But I don't think Prusa would be very happy if that's what I used a $12,000 3D printer for.
Yeah.
So.
Especially as a loan unit.
Yeah, we'll go with loan.
Yeah. If it's your own one, different story.
It's mine.
Yeah, there we go.
It's part of a long-term collaboration that we're doing, and it's business. So you brought some stuff.
Yes.
We just tried the Cadbury cream eggs.
You did?
I gotta know because there's two different schools of thought here: caramel or caramel.
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 There's another A there.
And there's multiple ways to spell aluminium, but it doesn't mean the Americans are gonna get it right.
No.
So, should we try the caramel now, or should we do a little hot sauce
You can
first?
do some hot sauce. I mean, I've had the Tomasz many, many times.
So I'm thinking the caramel might kind of help me out here with the hot sauce.
Yeah.
So we have another roll from David Connor Shovers. Go ahead. Let's roll the dice and see what our fate is going to be.
2.
It's a 2, so it's the garlic. You can go up higher if you want, but you can't go down.
Let's give the garlic a go.
Garlic's really good. I like it.
And then we'll go from there. I mean, it's like, middle range.
Tunnux?
Yeah.
What's that mean?
It's just a brand.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'm like, what's... Damn it, it's Karen says, Tunnux OMG, yes.
Yes.
Bring on the tea cakes.
I didn't get any tea cakes. I got the caramel. They make tea cakes, and it's...
Okay.
I did, yeah. But it's a layer of biscuit, marshmallow, and then that's covered in chocolate.
You'll see, Karen. You should have brought some. Just blame Karen.
Absolutely.
When in doubt, we blame Karen.
Yeah.
All right. Boron sauce is back for the kids. Thank you, sir. Out of 5, that one's the most flavorful in my opinion. I like it the most.
It's good.
Not a lot of heat. Great
No.
flavor. These two are rough. Olaf. He's behind the camera right now.
Is he
Man.
responsible for the sauces?
No, he's not. The Voron project is actually. Olaf is responsible for saying, well, I can't go smaller on the amount that I put on the spoon. He said his mama didn't raise no bitch.
Yeah.
Mine didn't either. And so I've been doing this for over 6 hours now, across 2 days. And so far, I have not committed war crimes in a bathroom.
Surprising.
Honestly, kind of surprising.
Yeah.
I've never had so many people so interested in my bowel movements in my entire life.
Well, we spoke yesterday, and you're like, yeah, it still hasn't happened. And this was at like 11:30 last night, and you're like, yeah, it still hasn't happened. And I'm like, I am sorry.
So yeah, it's like, is everything cool and I can handle this no problem, or is my body like, you're gonna get a double dose of pain today, big boy?
Waiting until a breaking point, and then it's like,
yeah,
the depths of hell have just opened.
It legitimately could be either. Look, I will update, I guess, if people really want to know. You know what I mean?
Just put a post out. It's happened.
I'll just like take a selfie where I'm all sweaty, like it's happening, and just no
dripping with sweat, face is red,
and
raw.
If you do want to contribute to the potential me getting arrested for war crimes in a bathroom, please donate to the Sanjay Mortimer Foundation so I can abuse my insides with more hot sauce provided by the Voron Project and our fan Herzl. These are so good.
Hopefully not at the airport.
No, I rarely use public restrooms. It's a personal thing. The ones here are real. Why do American bathrooms not have floor-to-ceiling doors?
This is what we keep like.
All the bathrooms that I've been in
Americans,
here have floor-to-ceiling doors. Why do Americans not, like, what? Why?
Yeah.
Have we really given up that much privacy in our lives?
We were speaking with the Cocoa Press guys yesterday, and they're like, yeah, there's a big gap in the door. And I'm like, why? It's like, oh, but you know if someone's in there. You don't have the lock that is green or red?
Yeah, we do. We do.
And there's still the gap.
Don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. See, you realize the more questions you ask, the less sense it makes.
It's just
So
America.
it's easier to say America. Exactly.
America.
Exactly.
And that's it.
We only worry about poor Amber B. That's true. She's the real hero. She is a real hero. She saves lives. She's an ICU nurse for her day job. I eat hot sauce and act like a moron on camera accidentally.
Yeah.
Amber saves people's lives. She is the real hero here. Flight home might be interesting. Good thing we're not going home next. Perverts in charge. Well, hey, whatever. Do you want to try some of the fan-made sauce?
Why not? Yeah.
What do you want, the PLA or do you want the Peak? Peak's a little warmer, but they're both incredibly flavorful, tomato-based.
I'm happy to go with both.
Let's start you on the PLA,
Why
then we'll
not?
go to the Peak. Yes. You can take, there's very little heat in it, but it's really tasty. What? It's a spicy spaghetti sauce. I don't know. Someone just said, what is it?
It's a spoon. You use it.
Spoonful of sugar helps the hot sauce go down.
No.
Well,
not yet.
I've been sweating a bit. Cheers. It's not spicy. Don't try it. You do not want to try this, no.
Oh, that's lovely. Like,
right?
No spice at
There's
all.
a little bit on the back end. A little bit.
But like that would go well, as you say, with pasta, spaghetti.
Right.
Even on a pizza. Like replace the tomato base with that.
The Pete. Oh, bro.
A little bit of pepperoni or something on that.
Oh, hell yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay.
We now have new avenues.
Oh, no, yeah. Herzl, pizza shop and hot sauce shop. That's what you need. This one's a little warmer, but still
a little lighter.
Flavorful.
Just to see what it's like.
Yeah. I'll take more. Cheers. Right?
Only a little bit like hotter, not a lot.
It creeps up. It's Bujaloka. It creeps up. But
again, I'd say that the garlic and that is probably a similar spice levels.
Right.
But again, I think too hot for a pizza, but your spaghetti, your meatballs.
That's good in like a squeeze bottle to add a little extra heat, right? 100%. It is so good though, right? Yeah. Yeah. Let's see if we have any more donations coming through. Let's see how much more pain. Oh, I got a new message. Let's see. You couldn't do it when Martin was up here? We got 200 USD from Bondtech donating to the cause. Thank you guys very much. Yeah, get them on the board. Does that mean you have to come up again, Olaf, or what? No? Oh. He wants to see the ghost. You want to do the ghost?
I mean, we can do.
So at 100,
oh, yeah,
he gets to choose whatever he wants. So he gets 2 shots at that. I'm not going to put you through 2 shots of the ghost, and I'm not doing them back to back. We'll do one in a little bit. It is very hot, and it stays around, but we've got milk. We've got these Korean drinks
milk
that
drinks.
Are quite good. Yeah. And there's water and pain.
I mean, I can try it. Why not?
Right. Here you go. There's the ghost pepper. You're just sitting there with that shit-eating grin, right? Like, ha. Oh, knife. Yeah, you're never going to get it out without the knife. Yep.
I'm going to go light as well.
Ooh, I see Zack. Zack should come up, and I'll interview... Oh, no, yeah, we'll interview you next, but Zack, you're going to do the second ghost pepper with me from Bondtech. Fine. You want to do ghost pepper with me then? No?
Is that a good amount
or Steve? How much do you like spicy food?
I can tolerate it, like a Szechuan or anything else. It's fine.
Okay.
I don't want to go...
I wouldn't go more than that.
No, I mean, Bondtech has paid for it, so I don't want to go too light and feel like I'm cheaping out. But
I know, but Olaf's also a masochist.
Well, of course, yeah.
Yeah.
At the same time, don't want to ruin myself.
Too late.
But it's fine. I've got another night in Manchester, so...
On my pants. That's fine. Wait a minute. Hold on. I can get that.
We have the technology.
Grant, don't touch your pants. Don't touch your pants. Yeah, I will. I just want to get it on there, and I want to get the heat through, so it's not. Yeah, we got wet wipes just to be safe. All right, that's all you're getting. That's all we're getting out of that. Thank you. Of course, it was the ghost pepper. Watch us like bleach denim, right? Like watch it cause actual damage to the fabric. There you go. Oh, all right. Let's see if I can. If I have a little chemical burn on my knee, I know why.
It's
right?
Bondtech's fault.
Yeah, it is Bondtech's fault. That's fair. That's fair. It is Bondtech's fault. All right.
Let's do this.
Let's do it. Cheers. Give it a second. Let's give it a second. Wait a minute. Did we just figure out a way to handle the ghost? I think that's coating our tongues.
Yeah. Because I can feel it at like a tinge on the back of the throat.
Yeah.
And like mild on the top, but...
The front of my tongue, totally fine.
Like a small tingle, but it's It's not like instant pain.
We don't fear the Reaper.
No.
Epic guitar solo. Wait, what? Blue Oyster Cult. Good band.
It's not like, oh my god.
I mean, it's there. I'm feeling it. I'm trying not to cough right now.
It's
oh my gosh.
building, but it's not unbearable.
Huh? Probably will. Yeah, it'll probably surprise me in a bit. Oh man.
It's more.
I think
it's a slow one.
I think it's wear it's wearing off. Yeah.
It's
it's a
Szechuan heat. It's very numb at the moment on the tongue.
Yeah. But the rest of my mouth is not numb.
No.
This is not a.
There we go.
Yeah. The air is spicy. This is not a Pink Floyd song. I am not comfortably numb.
No.
I am uncomfortably numb. Ugh. And I like how Olaf has just been sitting there waiting for me to check my phone so I could see it.
Yes.
How long ago did that send through? That was a minute, wasn't it?
He's waiting patient in the wings. Like,
He's like, I just sent another one
"You're
too.
going to
I don't
get
think he
this."
did. Oh. Oh God, that came through. I came through like 7 minutes ago. Okay,
Yeah.
so I did miss it. Holy crap.
Don't worry, I won't kiss you afterwards. You
You
will also feel the pain.
don't. You're gonna want to wash
Yeah.
your mouth or something.
I will
Holy
not
crap!
inflict that on you.
I got to get a little water here or something. Yeah. I got some. I got Layers of Lily brought us 4 bottles. So.
And you have
chug it
Iron Brew
later.
as well.
All right, you'll be back. All right. Thank you, Olaf and Bondtech, for their contributions to
Bondtech.
my future stomach ulcers and the future education of the youth that want to get into 3D printing. And we will be having an SMF Star coming up very soon. All right, boss. I think I put you through enough pain.
I'm still fine.
Oh, wait, let's do the caramel.
Go for it.
Yeah, let's get one of these caramels. All right. Is there a trick to eating them?
Nope.
Oh, it's a whole friggin' bar.
Yeah. I've got one in my bag. Let me grab that.
Like,
it saves your ones then.
I'm gonna take a bite of it. I'm gonna put it over here. Oh.
Rather than taking away from your one that you can enjoy.
Oh, these are really good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's really good. It's oddly spicy. I don't know why.
No. But you'll have to try the Iron Brew next. You have to try the Iron Brew as well.
Oh, I did. Tried earlier.
What, the Iron Brew?
Oh, this. No.
Yes.
What is that?
So, it stems from, I met Matt and Coco Press in 24 Smurf, and we got chatting. He brought about Moxie versus Iron Brew. So I said to him, next time, I'll bring you some Iron Brew. The UK went on this health kick.
Right.
And decided to cut sugar out of a lot of things.
Right.
Scotland wasn't very happy. That's changed
that
the
checks
recipe.
out. Yeah, that's historically accurate too. Yeah.
So they brought out a 1901, which is the full sugar. It's about 20 grams of sugar per can.
Okay, that's fine.
And I said, okay, next time I see you, I'll bring you some.
Right.
He brought over Moxie, because that's a drink in Maine.
Right.
So we tried it yesterday. And I was like, well, I'd like to get it in 1 or 2 cans. I got him a 12-pack. So he's now been sharing that with
he gave
yourselves,
me
like
2.
Americans that have never tried it.
We were going to crack this open on the final hour during the making sauce, if that's okay with you.
Go for it, yeah.
Okay. And that way Jacob and I can get our kind of first taste of it together. I figured that would be...
Has Jacob never had it?
I don't know. I'm assuming not.
He's British. He's got to.
I don't know.
It's a staple.
Oh, okay.
It's
He's
very...
not around, so I couldn't tell you.
It's like a bubblegum flavor, but it's very good.
Yeah, that's what I hear. It's bubblegum flavor. Cool. Well, all right. You want me to have it now?
No. Honestly,
all right.
you're more than
I'll
welcome
wait
to have
for
it
it for the
later
show.
on. That's
wait
fine.
for the show.
Yeah.
Well, cool, boss. Oh God, I'm getting the hiccups and the coughing and the little burps are painful. All right. Thank you so much, dude. Seriously.
It's been a pleasure.
Is there any place people can check you out?
I mean, I've got like Twitter, Instagram. It's all like just Sloth Lord or something like that.
Sloth Lord? Okay.
Yeah, it's usually where I am. I don't really do much content, but who knows?
Hey, it's always a good place to start, right?
Absolutely.
Awesome. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you for
problem.
bringing the stuff for the Lucky Dip. It has been tremendous.
I'll
It
hand that back
reminds
to you.
me, thank you, reminds me once again that American candy sucks. Like, proper sucks.
This is made with actual milk chocolate.
I know, that is so good. So good. I think, Zach, do you have time? Okay. I was gonna say we're gonna bring violin in because you've been waiting for a bit, right? Oh, you just want to watch? Are you sure? You sure you don't want to sit right there? It's fine. Zach's saying no to hot sauce, but I'm giving him a pass because he's an SMF star. That's the only reason. French fries? Weird. Okay. Yeah, come on down. Yeah, just make sure that the logo for it's facing your body because they didn't pay to have us use them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know how it goes.
Yeah.
let me reset this recording too.
Okay.
While we're working on that, introduce yourself to the folks at home so you know what's going on.
Is the camera there?
Yeah, that's.
Hello.
I'll be putting this one on too, but that's the one you're focusing on.
Oh, okay, yeah. Hello, I'm Zack. I was the first. They call us the stars, the people that the SMF supports, back in 2023. And yeah, they've just been enormous help. And I also used to do a bit of work for Grant as well.
You would do more if you weren't so dang busy.
Yes, I absolutely would have.
I would keep you employed long term, but all of a sudden he's working for an F1 team now, and
I am indeed. Yes.
I'm just, I'm just. Well, I can now say that one of our former staff member, I'm gonna still call you current for right now, has been poached by an F1 team.
I have, from one to another, in fact.
Really?
Yes. Yeah, which was a unique experience.
Talk about this, because your story with F1 is not. You're not a driver,
no.
Obviously.
I'm offended. Yeah.
Well, you're too tall.
That's true.
Yeah, you're too tall.
Yeah.
And you're an engineer.
Yeah.
Right. But this started, I think, with F1 in schools, right? And that's kind of how it started for you?
It did. So sort of just after COVID, I moved to a new school. For, I'm an SMF star, neurodiverse, as I think most people here are. Just a specialist school that was able to help me a bit more. And they run a product called F1 in schools. It's now called STEM Racing for anyone that's interested. We design a car this sort of size, race down a 20-meter track in a second. And it was at the time, and still is, sponsored by all the F1 teams by the time you get to the World Finals.
Right.
In our second season, we won the regional finals, broke the record time. National finals, won that with the record score. Got to the World Finals, placed 5th, kind of second. It's a long story, but did quite well for sure.
I was watching live, cheering from at home, man. Yeah. It was awesome.
It was good to get the message from Grant saying, "Oh, I just saw you racing."
Yeah.
Before I was there, I was doing some of my manufacturing at Alpine Formula One team.
Okay.
We made the front wings, the wheel systems. It was all with a guy called Pat Warner, who is legend of the game. He's been doing this. It was, I think, one of the first engineers in F1 to use additive. Still at it to this day.
Okay.
He's responsible for a large number of materials and the processes we use at the moment. And he had got to know me through the TCT award that the SMF sort of awarded me. And he offered his help. And whilst working there, I got to use all the F1 level equipment.
Yeah,
to make
it's kind
a
of
little
fun when you have access to that stuff, right?
Yeah, using a 3D Systems SLA 750 to make a part that small.
That's a big resin printer for a very small part.
Yeah, starting price 500 grand or so. It's,
and that's no materials included.
Yeah, no, the materials add up on top of it for sure.
That they do.
We went to the World Finals. We were sponsored by Alpine as a result of the work we had done with them. It was great to learn, I had a good idea of the stuff. I'd done work experience at a couple of the F1 teams before. It's my first time I was there actually making parts. But we get to the World Finals and Williams get in touch. They're probably Alpine's competitor at the moment, sort of similar speed of car. And they set up a thing called the Engineering Academy, where they put 10 of us and they give us a mentor at the team and they just guide us through our journey.
That's cool.
It's really amazing.
What an amazing opportunity, right?
Yeah, because most F1 teams, the early careers program is just, oh, your dad works here.
Right.
My dad fixes tills. He does not work at an F1 team. So it was quite an amazing way to get into the sport. And from that, I've started doing work sort of on the side of university and school in the additive department. So similar to Alpine, slightly different. We use some different techniques.
Right.
Can't talk about it, but it's cool.
Of course, I understand.
And I'm hoping, I'm still awaiting an official start date, but I'll be doing full-time, probably starting in May, doing exactly that. Getting paid for once, which is nice.
So all these years ago, did you ever see the trajectory of your life going to work full-time for an F1 team?
No, several years. I remember our job interview. That was probably one of the biggest first steps I had. I remember very specifically, obviously, I struggled to pick up on social cues. And it was when you were asking, Zack, how old are you? I didn't know how to answer.
Yeah.
I was 14. I hadn't picked up that Grant was trying to get to that. But it was amazing to have a young age to be able to you know, do some stuff that isn't just printing benchies, and it was really good fun. From that, started doing this F1 in school stuff, you know, very transferable skills.
Right.
And from there, it's led to F1. And, you know, I thought I'd have to complete a degree at university and all of that before I got started. But the exposure that you've given me and subsequently from the SMF has allowed it to fast track a lot quicker than I was expecting.
You're learning that in life, it's not about the piece of paper.
Yes.
Right? The piece of paper can help, okay? That's not recommending that you drop out of school, okay? Don't do that.
Yeah.
But it's not the piece of paper. It's your willingness to give a damn.
Yes.
Right?
Absolutely.
And that, from day one, when I first met you, it was the thing that stood out to me and why we offered you a job, because you just had the give a damn training. You were very apprehensive in that, okay, I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't care. I don't care that you don't know what you're doing. It doesn't matter to me.
Yeah.
All I care about is that you have the knack, the give a damn training, because everything else is teachable.
Yeah.
You could be taught to be a driver. You weren't born with a steering wheel in your hand.
Yeah.
But you can be taught to be a driver.
Yeah.
And as long as you have that passion, you'll get there.
Yeah, a bit old for me now. They tend to start at the age of 8, but yeah.
I understand. Maybe not F1.
Yeah,
but
true.
Come on, you got to be like, hey, I know we're just moving the car a little bit. Can I do it?
One of some of my friends who are the mechanics at the team, they get to wheel the car in for the pit stop practicing, and that's apparently scary enough.
That's what insurance is for.
We don't have that in F1.
You're on the team that fixes it. Don't worry about it. The bosses aren't going to care that you wrecked a multi-million-dollar vehicle that could win them millions of dollars in marketing. And
Yeah.
they're not going to care about that. It's just a write-off.
I mean, for reference, if we break a front wing, how much do you think, in Great British pounds, does a front wing cost in modern Formula One?
100,000?
250.
250,000.
For a front wing that's only about this big, 250,000 pounds.
But it's pure carbon, right?
A large amount of carbon, lots of the trailing edges of a lot of parts, they'll get CNC machined just because we can make it sharper.
Okay.
And we've got hydraulics in there now for what we call active aerodynamics, where the front wing flips down on the straights, reduces our downforce. And obviously we've got lots of very thin pressure tappings, very intricately woven throughout it to be able to get our aero readings and our stresses in all areas of the car at all times. Each race we're, you know, it's like GTA 5 per second in terms of the amount of data required to run an F1 car. Yeah, it's intense.
So how is, you know, working with the SMF and being one of the stars kind of changed all of this for you?
It was huge. So I remember growing up, being into printing, I was from a relatively young age. For the time, you know, in 2016, not many were interested in it.
No.
And that's when I first had my interest in it. It was from Nerf blasters, like the out of darts stuff.
Right.
That's what got me into it. I saved up for several years. In 2018, bought myself my first printer, so I wasn't having to use the school ones. And from the second I started my first benchy print, I'm yet to print a Nerf blaster part because I found it way more interesting, the actual machine itself.
Right.
So that's how I got into the hobbyist side. But then the TCT Awards in 2023, I mean, obviously, I'd heard about the SMF being founded because Sanjay was a hero to me. I never met the guy, but...
I never did either.
But you got to interview him.
I did, but not in person. Right?
No, of course.
It is different. I'm glad that we had that opportunity.
Yeah.
But it wasn't in person. It
Of
would
course.
have been different, right?
Yeah.
I got to talk to Adrian Boyer yesterday, though.
I know, yeah.
That was awesome.
I saw it, yeah.
And he agreed to come on a full-length podcast.
I know, I saw it, yeah. But you can't wait for that.
No, I can't. No, I can't. Oh, I'm so excited for that.
But yeah, so when the TCT Award was announced, I remember Dave, I don't know what his official role is at E3D, but he co-founded it.
Co-founder, yeah.
Yeah, co-founded it with Sanjay. We were at the table and he was asking me TCT 360 afterwards. I was wanting to go around and have a look.
Right.
Actually, the morning of the award ceremony, I'd sat 2 of my GCSE exams and then got the train up. We arrived with about 10 minutes to spare. It was quite an interesting experience.
I can imagine.
But the day after, we wanted to have a look around the show and see the industrial machines because I'd only worked with, you know, Creality, Anycubic.
Getting in front of $1 million machine is just it is a different feeling.
Who said in front of? I sat inside of one. The huge gel printers. I forget the name of the company that they effectively FDM, but using gel and a UV.
Massive it.
Sounds familiar.
Yep.
Getting to sit in one of those was quite something.
Mm-hmm.
But I had a list on my phone and I was showing Dave all the machines, and one of them was Sinterit. And he said, "Oh, we've got one of those at E3D. We've never got it working. Do you want it?" I'm sat there like, yes.
It's like a 10,000-pound machine.
Yeah, I mean, at the time, yeah, for sure. It's about halved in value nowadays, but it's
and it should be lower.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, it's all right. It's a very good bit of kit, and he offered it, and I thought he was, you know, I was apprehensive. I wasn't going to rely on it, but he sent it to me, and learning through the SMF, I've learned how to use SLS printing, and being at the TCT Awards, that's where I got my connection at Alpine, that then got me into the F1 in schools and F1 to a much greater extent. Coming to SMRRF is amazing. Getting to, I remember the first one when we first met. Actually, that was quite something.
When I got my head shaved.
Yes, yeah, fun times. I forgot. Yeah, you had to have long hair, didn't you?
Yeah.
I mean, you look great. It's paid off.
My mother consistently tells me to cut it shorter.
Okay, well, I'd say you've got it about perfect at the moment.
I like it like this. You know, I was happy that we were able to raise money. And it's the same thing with this, right? I'm happy to raise money. And for reference, Zack doesn't do Spice. So if you do send anything through, it'll just be me.
Sorry,
Zack doesn't
everyone.
do Spice.
Yeah,
it's fine.
If anyone online knows Nando's in the UK, there are different spice levels. Lemon and herb is too spicy for me. It's the thing that got me diagnosed as autistic is how sensitive my taste buds are. They're like, okay, no, there's something going on here, and that's when I eventually got diagnosed at age 11. But yeah, the SMF as a whole, just for me, it was the exposure to industry. You know, we can find out a lot online just watching YouTube videos how to repair any machine out there, as long as it's under a few £1,000s. The second you're looking at a Stratasys, a 3D Systems,
there's no videos for that because you call somebody and they charge you a ton of money to come out and do it for you.
Yeah, I definitely have struggled with the Sinterit, even the Sinterit, which is a low-level SLS printer. Getting help on repairs is difficult enough. Even as I was 16 at the time, saying, "Help a school kid out, please," and most people aren't too interested. But I did thankfully find a few that are willing to help. So yeah, if I had to summarize how the SMF has helped me, it would be a boost in confidence, industry exposure, and just providing a fun event for everyone. And the quiz show as well, 2 years running. You have
won it for 2 years now.
Yeah.
That has significantly upgraded your printing capacity. Right?
Yes, yeah, it's doubled the number of printers in my room at the moment. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the positron, but I'll find a space for it.
You put it in its case and you take it with you places.
Sure will.
Yeah. I mean, why not, right?
Yeah.
Dude, it's phenomenal to always see you here. It is great. And you're walking around, or you were with Andrew.
Andy, yeah.
I don't know how to say his last name. Alishorn, maybe?
Alshorn, I don't know. I stick to Andy, but he's lovely. I'm staying with him at the moment, actually. He's my hotel whilst I'm up here.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, he's got a lovely cottage up in the Lake District. So the driving in the morning is very scenic.
Oh, I can imagine. And so a lot of you won't know who he is. If you know who he is, you know the value that he brings. He's an AMUG dyno. He is one of the former board members of AMUG, or his current board member.
Advisory board, I believe.
Advisory board for the Additive Manufacturer Users Group. Big show. They have a show coming up in like a week and a half or so, I think.
I don't know. I don't keep track of it, but I'm sure I can get him on it if you want. I can go fetch him
at some point. But we have a line already.
Okay,
so,
yeah, no
but we'll
worries.
get him on at some point, or I'll have him on a full length show. But
yeah.
He and I agree that we want to see more of the industrial additive showing up to the community events and vice versa, the community people showing up to the industrial shows, right?
Yes.
Let's bring more of the community focused things Formnext, but then let's also bring some of the Formnext people into these reprap festivals so we can really meld the two. Because I think a lot of the community, they know about the high-end tech, but they don't realize that it is actually more accessible than you think. You just have to ask the right questions.
Yeah, I'd say asking the right questions at the trade shows gets you a long way. Not going up and saying how much does your machine cost, but asking what processes are they using. My go-to was their vapor smoothing processes for SLS parts. That got me a lot of good connections at the TCT shows.
Okay.
So please, if you get into industrial printing, it's fun, it's expensive, but it's fun as a result.
It is, but thankfully it's somebody else's money generally.
Yeah, for the most part, yeah. Anyway, in a few years' time, we'll try and get you to have a tour of Williams F1 when I've got a little bit more you know, because a little bit more leverage at the team. We'll
and
get
I'm
you to have a look
cooler.
round.
I got to be cooler, you know, to make it to one of those, you know.
We've got some relatively uncool people that walk around. I reckon you could get in.
Well, it's been a pleasure, Zach.
It's been
Seriously,
great seeing you.
I am so proud of you. I don't say this enough. I am so proud of you for the little 16-year-old kid that I met. So now, how old are you?
I'm 19
You're
now.
19. You're working for an effing F1 team.
Yes. Yeah. It's quite cool.
There's nothing else to say, man. Seriously. Thank you so much for coming on.
Yeah. Will you be at any of the American races this year?
Maybe.
If you are, let me know. I might be trackside. I might be able to give you a tour.
Why don't you let me know which ones you'll be at, and I'll try to make them out today.
It's a big if. I'm waiting on the decision on whether I'll be able to go trackside, but
We'll figure something out. If not, I'll take you out to dinner or something.
Absolutely.
Sound good?
Yeah. See you soon.
All right, man.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Who's on next? You're going to pass this to.
Them, but Steve, you have a thing coming up soon, right? I'll just take that from you.
Okay, yeah, no worries. I'll
It's
pass it
arranged?
to you.
Okay, I got you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, boss.
See you later.
You're coming up and get you on next. Okay. About a half hour. We can make it happen. Okay. All right. Let's talk about it.
Oh, blame me.
Zach, you are awesome again, dude. Seriously, thank you.
Don't know if that's good.
It's fine.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Hi.
Blayze, right?
That's me, yeah.
Okay. I have no idea who you are or what you do, so talk to me.
We are terrible at marketing, which is why you don't know why.
I'm also living under a rock, so don't worry about it.
Well, I'm Blayze. I'm from the very inventively named Blayze Tech Limited.
Okay,
which was a company that we set up to sell exactly one thing, namely this little chip.
Okay.
So this started off in university, where we wanted to get people into combat robotics.
Okay.
But it's quite a high barrier to entry.
Yeah, it's a little expensive, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. For the components, thankfully 3D printing's really lowered that barrier to entry when it comes to designing and building the robots themselves, but the components can still be quite pricey. If you want to buy a physical controller, it costs sort of like £40 and you're getting a sort of baseline thing.
Right.
So we've built this tiny little board
that
has sort of everything you'd need to build a simple two-wheeled robot.
Okay.
And then you turn it on and you can control it from your mobile phone instead.
No kidding.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Okay.
And it's, I'm a software engineer sort of by trade, so
checks out.
I've sort of over-engineered this, so it's sort
checks
of
out again.
Not only does it do 2 motors, but you can also plug in servos or brushless motors with an ESC. And then we turned up to SMRRF last year, and then we made friends with Doug, Dreams Void over there, who convinced us to run a workshop this year.
block.
So he immediately made a printer block robot, and then
I love it.
He convinced us to do a workshop. So we've had people coming over and building little click and place robots for hours and hours, and it's been really good fun to do it.
That's a huge accessibility thing, right?
Yes,
Huge accessibility.
yeah, exactly. That's exactly what we're going for here. I mean, the RoboPads themselves are quite accessible compared to normal combat.
What's the price for that?
So the board itself is £12.50. So you're looking at...
That's it?
Yeah, that's exactly it.
Wow, okay.
We don't make a lot of money as a company.
No,
but,
you're trying to get it out there.
Exactly, that's what we're trying to do. We want to sell them for as cheap as we reasonably can. And then we've got this breakout board that sort of breaks out some servo control stuff. More explicitly built for today, but we're seeing some people in education use it. So we sell that as an addition for like £5. And it's
great.
It's working out quite nicely, I think. People seem to be enjoying it.
Do you handle heat at all? Do you like heat?
I'm pretty okay at heat. Yeah.
Okay.
I had a fun time at Nando's once.
I'm giving you a spoon. Sorry, I kind of fell there.
No, that's absolutely fine.
And let's see if we got. Oh, yep. There's a you got money request. Or thing. Oh, they just sent it. Okay. So we got a dice. Oh, yep. Luke Sloth Lord for the hot sauce. There goes the spool bot. All right. Roll that dice. Let's see what our fate is. Thank you very much, Luke.
I got a 3.
It's a 3, so it is this red chili right here. Shake it up.
Very nice.
Pour out as much as you'd like. I have to match it.
No, you have to match it.
I do.
So if I pour a big spoon, no,
I will pour a big spoon. I am not desensitized. I promise you. very much not desensitized. My mouth is on friggin' fire.
I think this looks tasty. Are we doing synchronized?
Yes, we are.
synchronized
Yes,
consumption?
of course. If there's synchronized anything, it's got to be synchronized suffering, right?
I didn't actually read the number on the side of this. I just thought, yeah, let's go. So,
It's a 4 out of 10.
Oh, that's
right?
fine
Yeah, it's 4
then. That's fine.
Mind capping that for me? That'd be wonderful. And then if you get some on your hands, napkins there, we'll give you some
Yeah,
towels. Ready?
Cheers.
Down the hatch.
It's quite tasty, actually.
It is. A little bit of heat there.
Yeah, it's
It was
got a
very,
nice
very
kick to
tasty.
it. It's kind of, is it garlicky?
It is.
Yeah,
Sloth Lord's like, that tastes like a more liquidy but good salsa. I'm like, oh, it really is.
Yeah,
it is a good salsa.
It tastes what I think sriracha sauce should taste like.
It wasn't Sloth Lord. That was Danny that said that because we're Tex-Mex people. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, that's fair. Oh, Steve's in the chat, but Steve's also right there. Hi, Steve.
Hello.
Oh, man. Oh, MLB is 11 minutes behind. Print a block table has Construct 1 under it. We need to get it for the making sauce with Jacob. There's no chance you're getting it out of it.
Oh, yeah.
The table's built around the printer.
Yeah.
You can't get it out.
And Doug is obsessed with that C1.
He loves that machine.
I've been talking to him all month, and he's been like, oh, it's amazing.
Yeah, he loves that machine. So it's been working out well for him. So where can people kind of follow along with what you're doing and find more about it?
So you can go to our website at www.blazetech.com.
Okay.
Or you can follow us on Instagram and Blue Sky currently.
Okay.
Just blaze.tech.
Okay. Perfect.
We're not massively social. We try to be, but most of my time is apparently spent soldering circuit boards to bring to Smurf.
Once again, checks out. That's how this community is. We always do things last minute, right?
Yeah, the Lunar New Year really stuffed us this year. I got the boards on Thursday, so Friday was spent. I think I put together about 200 boards.
Wow. Nope, I don't have that kind of skill set. Do you, Steve? 200 boards in one day? No. Yeah, I don't either. I tend to burn out octopus boards, so I probably.
Oh, it was made very much easier. I've streamlined the approach now. I've got 3D printed jigs that hold everything in place.
That's the right way to do it. That is the right way to do it for sure. Okay. I want to make sure I saw Martin walking by. I thought he was carrying a bottle of hot sauce.
Oh.
And I was worried for a second.
You've got hot sauce on the mind. You're expecting it to jump out of the corner.
Yeah, I'm like getting triggered with bottles now. So that we put the links in the chat as well. So
awesome.
Blayze, thank you so much for coming out. Thank you for sharing a sauce with me. I can take that spoon from you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Make life easy there. I got a trash can down here. Guys, check out Blayze Tech. They are linked in that chat. Those kits are do you have any for sale here at the show?
Oh, we've just sold out, if I'm honest, but we can take pre-orders and we'll be shipping like Monday and Tuesday. That's sort of what we're doing.
But then it's international shipping.
Oh no, don't even get me started. In the UK, we're good. We're working on Europe at the moment.
It's fine. I'll buy some and send them to Jacob. All right.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much.
I appreciate it. Let me get that. Or actually, just pass the mic to Steve.
Awesome. Will do. There you go.
Awesome. He gets to hide it under the beard. Oh, Blayze, I think your phone, maybe.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Put it in the beard.
In the beard.
Yep.
Gosh. Well, at least turn it around. They're not paying us to use their logos. Oh, the other side I have TPU on. Can't
What?
Oh yeah, okay. You got it hidden under the beard. That's fine.
Oh boy.
I really don't want you on here.
Really? Why?
You don't know, do you?
No.
I don't want you on here, Steve.
I'm in the dark. What am I?
Do you notice who's in the crowd? Oh wait, where's Olaf?
Uh-oh.
Oh, okay. I said, do you notice who's in the crowd, Steve?
I saw Olaf there for a
Do you
bit.
notice who's in the crowd? Do you know why they're in the crowd?
No, I don't.
Yeah, so they donated 200 USD earlier.
Okay.
And that is 2 ghost peppers. And I already did 1.
Okay.
I think you can imagine.
I got to do ghost peppers?
At some point before you go. And,
okay.
Well, you only got 20 minutes, and it takes a bit for it to wear off. So I'm wondering.
So I may not be able to talk at the.
You'll be able to talk. I've got some of the Milkus and real milk and water. I've got all the accoutrement for you.
So is there a scale here?
Yes.
Can I donate to pay it down?
I mean, actually, technically, yes, you can.
Yeah?
Yes, you can.
What do I have to do that?
I guess match it, right?
Yeah?
Yeah. In theory, 100 makes it lower, but do you really want to disappoint Olaf and Martin right now?
What if I half the dose?
Okay.
There we go.
All right.
Just a smidge.
I mean, the Voron Project is sponsoring all the hot sauce. One-off hot sauce from the Voron Project. And these sauces come from a fan.
Do you know how much of a wimp I am with this stuff? And I'm here anyway.
This is why they all wanted you on here. This is why they all wanted you on here. Okay.
Yeah, I'm like 1.5. Where I'm comfortable.
Okay, go ahead and get a cup for me then. Actually, you can just have the rest of that. You're going to need it.
Nobody's drank out of that ice?
No, I've been pouring it into cups.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and
I'm gonna need it.
Do you want a full one? I have more.
No, this is fine.
You might. Okay.
I'll live one way or another. I'm gonna live.
All right.
So.
yes. The hot
Exactly.
sauce is temporary, but wussing out is permanent.
Huh?
Wussing out is permanent.
This is true. This is true.
So do you want to jump right to it, or you know what? Let's try this one first. This is PLA.
Okay.
As you can imagine, it's not very
This is
spicy.
PLA.
It's tomato-based, garlic. You're not allergic to anything, right?
No.
Great. Try some. I think you'll like it. Put some onto your spoon.
Put them on. Okay.
Yeah, because it's really thick. It's like pasta sauce. This one will get you started. This one, kind of an appetizer, if you will.
There you go.
Yeah, I love this.
And you're going 1 for 1, right?
Yes. It's not. It's
oh,
not,
you got it. You got a whole.
it's
You're
not,
you're
it's
you're
PLA.
ready.
This is peak. This is PLA. It's not spicy.
Oh, okay.
It's good. It's really tasty.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I would devour.
Yeah.
Spaghetti meatballs with that sauce. 100%.
Mm-hmm.
100% would. Oh man.
So that's where I like it right there.
Okay. I'm really sorry, Steve.
Okay.
I'm
We'll
really sorry. I
what
don't
we
want to
can.
do this to you because we have a good relationship. If anybody, blame them.
It's okay.
But you have an index, so
I do. Yep.
I don't feel as bad. Don't feel as
So
bad.
we're going straight to the ghost.
Do you want to work your way up to it?
No.
I don't think you do because this one sucks too.
Okay.
These three are great.
Okay.
That's the dill, garlic, and the
Chili and
red
peach.
chili. Yep.
Okay.
From Voron.
From Voron.
Voron.
Yep. Yep. I get it.
You're gonna need the knife because it's
Okay.
really thick. Be careful if you get it on your hands. We have wet wipes down there.
Okay.
No, Steve.
What?
Steve.
That's too much?
That's it. Steve, if you don't handle spice, that's all you should do. If you look,
Is that too much? Oh, there we go.
No. That looks like salty licorice.
I like salty licorice.
You do?
I do.
What's wrong with you? After. I gotta do double what Steve does.
Got to. So I'll donate. So you do double what I do.
Yeah.
Is that what it is?
I think so.
Okay.
All goes right. And if you want, just donate direct to the SMF because I know you have the connections to do that. That way I don't have to pay your fees. Is that about double? Does that look right to you?
Yeah, that's about double.
Do I need more?
I think you should do more. I think you should do more.
You're wearing glasses. We can't trust your eyesight.
Can we plug the raffle real
Go
quick?
ahead.
So we are.
You're suffering for it, so.
I am suffering for it.
Yes, you are.
The Voron 2 Serial Zero raffle is going to be closed in 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
So we have earned a phenomenal amount of money for the SMF.
Does
for
anybody
that
need
printer.
to at everybody in the Voron Discord first?
It's been done.
Because we have a very nice amount of people watching. It's only 69. But I feel like there needs to be more Voron people here for this.
More Voron people?
I mean, if it doesn't have to be, but Steve?
Woo.
Steve, it.
That's gotta.
So there you go. There are the two.
Yep. Okay.
Thank you to Bondtech and thank you to everybody who has supported thus far. We are not done yet, though.
We're doing it?
It's for charity. Oh, yeah.
Okay. It's fine.
It works. The trick works. The trick works. So we figured out
That
earlier.
is hot.
So we figured out earlier. You're gonna still want to drink some of that. We figured out
Yeah.
earlier that something in this counteracts the heat. Yeah, it's in the back of your throat,
Yep.
right? So something in this coats your tongue. We don't know why, but it does.
Yeah.
And it makes the heat take a lot longer
Take a
to hit
little
you.
longer. Yeah.
But it's a lot slower. It's not like, you know, a punch to the kidneys. It's, you know, it takes a while. Yeah.
I was expecting that to be worse.
It's because I gave you this
Uh-huh.
first. I helped you out on this.
I appreciate that. See, you're a friend.
You're not done yet, Steve.
Uh-oh.
It's
I'm not
still,
done?
Oh, it's still creeping, homie. I can feel it creeping on me, which I know. Yeah, you're getting red too. You understand.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh.
It's on the roof of my mouth, all over my tongue.
Yep. We apparently have to try whatever these are.
What are these?
What are they? A licorice. You know, the last time
Isn't
someone
mint terrible after heat?
I can't imagine it's good. It's for charity, right? After
I didn't
ghost
have to roll
peppers,
the
though?
dice. I had to go straight to the.
Well, that's because of them.
That's because of him.
They paid for it.
Okay. Now my eyes are watering.
Yeah, I know. They're just sitting there drinking like it's not us. I do. Yes. Jacob and I will be splitting that. He doesn't know that yet. As the final for the making sauce today.
I'm not going to taste anything all the rest of the
You'll
day.
Oh, it's good? Okay. All right. All right, Steve. You got
We're going
13
for
minutes
this
before you
thing?
got to go live, so.
Okay, what do we got here? This is
Licorice and Andy's mint? Oh, it's going to hurt. It's going to hurt with the spice.
I know.
Yep. Hey, it's for charity. That's good.
That is really good. It'd be a whole lot better if my mouth wasn't on fire.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Those from Sweden, or where are they from? Denmark. Okay.
Those are really good.
I'll take a picture. Yeah, Amber, take a picture. Oh, it's so good. No, and it won't be. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, that worked. Cool.
Okay.
It's
I'm coming down from that now.
It's very spicy licorice. I don't know how that's a thing though.
Whew.
Worth it?
That was good.
Worth it?
Yeah. Yeah, that was good. Hi.
I mean, let's see what else we got. Let's see if we got to roll again. Do we have to roll again? Not yet. We are not right. We don't have to roll again.
Okay.
So what
are we going to talk about?
I mean, dude, you've been working on a lot of stuff lately, right?
I have.
But the big one's been the Voron 2 V
Serial Zero.
Oh,
Serial Zero.
Serial Zero. Yes. So that is literally the first one ever.
That's the development platform that Max used for creating Voron 2.
So it is a one of one.
So he donated it to SMF, and I said, hey, if you want it refreshed, I'll rebuild it for you.
Oh, so hot.
Yeah. Exhaling is...
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Inhaling's great. Exhaling's like, oh, that's right. Everything is still on fire.
Yeah. I just need to inhale all the time.
Yeah, it doesn't work, though. The lungs, for some reason, want to get rid of the air. Oh, God. So, okay. So that's built. You did it live on stream, I remember.
I did. I did most of the build live over several very compressed streams.
And then you carried it on an airplane.
I did.
You
I
did.
checked it. It was I was super nervous.
Yeah.
But it turned out great.
If you need more, there's more over here, by the way.
Okay.
More
Yeah,
that I have regular milk too. It's ultra high. It doesn't need to be refrigerated, and it's lactose free.
I'll just have some.
Take as much of it as you need. Oh, Layers with Lily told us about this. She brought us a can yesterday, and then she brought 4 more bottles today. And I'm like, you are an angel. It's like it works better than milk in my
My
experience.
sinuses are clearing.
Hey, if you were stuffed up, you will not be stuffed up after being at this table, okay?
So anyway,
funny how
yeah,
they start talking louder when they suffer more.
Oh, am I yelling?
No, I don't think so. I don't think so, but I'll turn you down a little bit just to be safe. Oh man, yeah, it's yeah, tell Steve not to touch his eyes, and made that mistake one time with hot sauce. Yeah, there are wet wipes down there if you want to get.
I didn't get any on my hands.
Steve, just get a wet wipe. Just get a wet wipe. Look, if you want to take that risk, homie, that's on you. But
No,
do not text me screaming because you went to go pee and everything burns now. Yeah, you don't want that. No, you don't. You don't. But okay, so what else is in the SMF raffle from Voron? We're doing any auction stuff. What else you guys doing?
In the raffle tickets, I think the Voron 2 that they just built during the event is in that pool of prizes.
Right.
I'll
take that when you're done.
And then Alan Mandick donated a V0, right, to that pool of
yes, he
prizes.
did.
So
yes, he did. Yeah, Steve's like, I can't talk right now.
No, I'm good. I'm actually coming down.
Yeah,
We're good.
it takes a minute, but you know we get there.
Mm-hmm.
So then what's interesting in the world of Mr. Steve Builds?
Ooh, doing a lot of printer development lately. So hopefully we'll see something soon.
TM.
Soon
like
TM.
Q2, I assume, right?
Sooner than soon TM.
Got it.
So,
Okay.
but still soon TM.
Is it
sort of?
Is it INDXX related?
I'm
looking at them to see what their faces are.
INDXX adjacent.
INDXX adjacent. Okay. Sure. Everything in my life appears to be INDXX adjacent at this point, including my suffering.
Well, my goal is to assist in a platform that is suitable for things like INDXX.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So,
yeah, you're the only beta tester so far that's been able to be public about it. So it's really cool when you're posting the videos in the Discord and putting them up online.
Did you see the little gyro the dodo I printed? That thing that's my favorite print I've ever done.
Super cool.
Favorite print I've ever done. I did 2 of those in a row, no problems. Over 3,000 tool changes and 55 hours of printing.
Insane.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you can probably run it faster too.
Yes, I haven't tuned for speed
Yeah,
yet. I've just been tuning for making it work and
reliability is
stuff.
more important than speed.
Yep.
And I will forever sit by that.
Yep.
It's awesome.
Yep.
It is 2:53. So I want to make sure you got enough time to go downstairs.
Yeah. Should probably go down there and get ready to draw the winner of the Voron 2.
That's gonna be awesome. What's the raffle amount up to now?
Over 11,500.
We will not be beating that. Not without some awesome donations from members and viewers like you. So please do donate. The Just Giving link doesn't work, so you're gonna have to send it to my company's PayPal account, which is linked in the pinned comment or the pinned chat message.
There you go.
And the description, and I'll be paying all the PayPal fees. So fun times.
So I'll donate directly to SMF for our little thing.
Yeah. Go right to them.
Save you a little bit.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, Steve, it's been a pleasure as always. Sorry,
I'm feeling pretty normal now. I'm good.
Well,
you might have taken a little bit of my fear away from hot sauces.
It was only because we figured out earlier that if you start with one of these two, for some reason it lowers. It is the same amount of heat that you get, but it's over a much longer time. It's like an airbag for heat. It increases the amount of time that it takes for you to decelerate. So therefore, decreasing the overall strain on your body.
Yeah.
So
awesome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for having me on.
As always, dude, you're always welcome.
Yep.
So
see ya.
Yeah. we gotta do something fun at some point.
Yes.
I don't know what.
Absolutely.
I do need the mic though.
I know.
Yeah.
I was getting there.
We'll do something fun together. I don't know. You guys, yes. You guys let us know in the comments what you would like to see built with Mr. Steve Builds and I. Yes, maybe if you ask nicely, it'll involve belts. Oh man. All right, let me get a tally of where we're at right now so I can figure out what. Huh? Yes, I know. I got to pull it up. I'm just putting that. Yeah, I figured he was going to take a second, so I will run the. Oh no. Hey, Steve, when you're done with that, we're going to need you to come back. Another donation just came in. It's not for hot sauce, specifically for Steve. So it has been explicitly stated not to say who it's from. Okay. No problem. We can do it. Whenever you're done. No rush. Jacob and I will just be talking, but he will love what we're going to be putting you through. Okay. Have fun. Huh? It was right there on the thing. No, Marmite. Yeah. Huh? No. We're waiting for Jacob to get back. I'm going to check to see the numbers because we're going to switch into a podcast. Still with the spices and everything, but it's not, well, kind of. We're going to be, yeah, it's still up. We're still going to be live. Yes, you can make a funny face. Not really. I don't want to just, huh? No, but I got like breadsticks and stuff. I don't know. Go through it. See what you got. See the stuff you want. Those are from the Czech Republic, right? Wait, where'd Sandy go? Sandy brought them, so. Oh, dang it. My PayPal account is making me put in a code. Where's the PL? That one. As long as you don't double dip, you can just dip it in. That don't matter. Oh, man. All right, I'm gonna get a final number here for this. What do you got? Let's see. Let's see what we got. I guess I should probably give you a mic if you're gonna sit here and hang out for a bit, right? I'll say, well, you got to go down. Okay. We're at 2,600 USD, but that doesn't include any cash or on-site things or stuff that was done before it. But yes, we're gonna switch streams real quick. But everyone that's in this one, in theory, should get kicked over to the next one. But I'll put the link for it so you guys have it. I have it set up for a redirect, so it should redirect everybody into the other one.
Where are you going?
What do you mean? Another one of my streams. So I have a special stream key for the Making Awesome podcast. So I want it to go into the podcast list. And to do that, I have to do a second stream. So, yeah, not really. There's a spool bot.
Stop it. Don't know how. Oh.
You don't know how? Oh, yeah. Okay, so guys, I'm going to send that link just in case. But we are going to switch now to a podcast. So we will see you all there. Let me get the stream key for it set up so that I can do all that right. So I will see you over for Making Sawsome here in just a minute. We're still going to be raising money for charity. We're just doing it on a different stream key. So stay tuned. We'll be back in like 30 seconds. Love you. All right, I guess stay safe out there. Don't forget to call your loved ones. And as always, keep making awesome. We'll be Making Sawsome here in just a minute with Jacob, who has a terrible spice tolerance.